Are we live? Hey guys, what is up? How's it going? This is Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com here today with my boy
Aaron.
All right, Aaron Bernath. We are going to be doing an official reveal of him in an upcoming video. Today he's just a guest. Welcome, Aaron, on your first live stream on this channel. So, what we're going to be talking about on this live stream is how long should I code every day? This is something that is a commonly asked, that's a very common question that I get all the time. So I want to talk about that. But I want to talk about this through the lens of accumulating and aggregating lots of marginal gains. I want to talk about, what was that book that I read today?
The Atomic Habits?
Yes. So I'm going to be talking about atomic habits and the power of atomic habits and how you can actually leverage those to power through your coding, improve your coding skills, and move forward in the direction of landing your first job or freelancing opportunity or whatever the case may be for you. Hello, everyone. Hello, Flying Armbar. Nice. Flying Armbar. I am practicing jiu-jitsu, so I am actually trying to learn Flying Armbar. Yes, Dempsey. Aaron actually does look high. I agree with that. Hi, Koshik. Hello, Lawrence. Hi, Aditya. Hi, Programming with Project. Welcome, guys. We have lots of people on. We have 79 people, which is super dope. I'm excited. We're going to take on your questions as well later in the live stream. But let's jump into this video. So how long should you code every single day? First of all, when I read the book, I was reading Atomic Habits today, and in that book he talks about aggregating tiny little marginal gains in your life. And once you make progress, right, in any area, so let's say that over the course, if you improved 1% every single day, do you know how much of an impact that would have on your life? 1% every day, and if you did that for one whole year, you would actually be 37 times better than you are right now. So I want you to just imagine that and let that sink in. You don't have to do 100% more. You don't have to do 20x more or 10x more or 30x more. Though if you did that, you'd get better faster. But if you just consistently, with consistency and discipline, applied yourself in any venture that you were on in your life and you improved 1% every single day, which is very possible to do, you would have improved 37 times by the end of the year. So that is really massive. Your growth kind of compounds exponentially, and we just don't realize it as it's happening. And in the book, James Clear, I believe is his name, in Atomic Habits, he also talks about how, so first of all, before I continue, I want to bring it back to programming. So if you are trying to become a better programmer and trying to answer this question of how long should I code every day, well, build a discipline in your day-to-day life that even if your goal is to code 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day, as long as you are improving by 1% every day, which is what will happen if you just showed up every day, over the course of 365 days, you will be a 37 times better programmer. So a very powerful concept to actually just let that sink into your brain and go, that's massive. Who finds this valuable before I continue further? Hi, Mohammed. Hello, Aditya.
There's Sam.
Coding every day. Sam is here. Hey, Sam. How's it going, my man? Sam Studios is here. Thank you. I love you guys back. What about doing a tutorial on Flutter? Maybe one day. Yep. So if you were to do this every single day, you would find massive growth in everything that you do. Okay. You can apply this to any other area of your life, whether it's fitness or whether it's relationships, right? If you decide to just show up 1% more every day and you just showed up consistently, even by you just showing up consistently, your relationship will improve, your health will improve, and your programming skills would improve. Okay, that's all you essentially have to do. Now, in the book Atomic Habits, he also talks about when we are having these incremental increases in our life, we don't really recognize them as they're happening. So let's say that I had ice and it was 26 degrees. If I raise the temperature up to 27 degrees, there would be no noticeable difference to the ice. If I raise up the temperature to 28 degrees or 29 degrees or 30 degrees or even 31 degrees, there would be no noticeable difference to the ice. But now if I take it from 31 degrees to 32 degrees, all of a sudden, what takes place? If you know the answer, pop it in the chat below. If I go from 31 degrees to 32 degrees, what happens to the ice? It melts. But all the other changes that took place preceding that moment where it melted, those were invisible. You did not get to see them. Nobody got to see those changes from 26 to 31 degrees. Another example. If you had to kill a frog by boiling it, very aggressive and violent example, but if you had to do that, if you took the frog and you just threw it in boiling water, super hot, the frog would just immediately jump out. And great job, guys. You guessed it, that it does melt, indeed. If you throw the frog in boiling water, it'll just jump out. He'll just jump out. But if you throw a frog in lukewarm water and then you start raising it 1 degree at a time, eventually it will get to a point where it's boiling, but it won't even recognize the difference, and then it'll just boil and die because of the heat. All right? So the gradual increase can kill you and crush you in life and just fuck you up massively. And the gradual increase on the other side, on the flippity flip, can also massively, exponentially increase your results, improve your relationships, and give you breakthroughs in coding and becoming a programmer that you had never thought existed before. So you want to take those principles of that gradual increase and apply them to your life as a programmer, to becoming a better developer. So what does that look like? A lot of people want to do too many things at one time, want the results right away, which is me. I am like that. I am pretty impatient. So if you are impatient, then fucking put in 18 hours a day, right? 20 hours a day, 15 hours a day, and then just get really impatient with it and go crazy. But most people generally, one, don't have that much time to put in, and two, it is a lot of time and effort. So if we take a more systematic approach that is very hard to fail with and it's very possible to succeed with, if you just gradually increase every day, sometimes it gets disappointing and you want to quit, and you kept going and you coded even 10 minutes a day or 5 minutes a day, you would notice, or actually should I say, you would not notice a particular difference in your coding skill level. It will not be visible to you because it will essentially be you going from 26 degrees to 27 degrees. If you kept coding, it would be you going from 27 degrees to 28 degrees, and then 29 degrees, and 30, and 31, and you would not notice any particular difference. But when you get that 32 degree, meaning you land that internship, or for example, you finally get to that coding interview and you can actually solve the whiteboarding problem they give you, that's you going from 31 degrees to 32 degrees. But 95% of the human population quit between that journey from 26 degrees to 32 degrees. It's very depressing. Sometimes they'll quit when they're at 31 degree mark. There's this saying that goes, quitting 3 feet before gold. And it's a story of this man who was digging and digging and digging and had a hunch that there was gold in this one area. So he calls his people with him and he spends like, I think, weeks and months digging this place up. And after months of trial of every day, just coming in and putting in like 15 hours a day and constantly digging with his shovel, he was like, I'm getting really close to the gold. But eventually what ended up happening was he didn't know whether there was gold or not, and he ended up quitting. Another person came instead of him and was like, oh, somebody looks like they were digging here. Maybe I'll just dig and let's see what happens. And that person started digging, and literally 3 feet of digging later, they actually found an insane amount of gold and became stupidly wealthy. So the first person, it's a pretty depressing story for him because he ended up quitting 3 feet before gold. And that's oftentimes what takes place in most people's lives. They quit 3 feet before gold. So if you are finding yourself coding and you're trying to put in 10 to 15 minutes or an hour every single day, and you are finding yourself, even if you're not putting that kind of time in and you're finding yourself being discouraged, just know that you're making improvements that are invisible to the world around you. Hell, they're even invisible to you. But you are still moving in the right direction. And you possibly could be 3 feet from gold or 1 degree away from that melting point. So you want to keep going and you don't want to quit, because oftentimes, how long should I code every day? There's a hidden question behind it, right? And sometimes that question is like, should I even keep coding? Should I even continue in this journey? And the answer to that is yes, my friend. Most of these breakthrough changes you're looking for, there's a tipping point where they happen. They don't just happen right away. And Tipping Point is another book by Malcolm Gladwell, which we can talk about another day. But this was just so we could kind of get deep into the problem of how long should you code every day. And that's one of the things I would give you. Now, with that framework out of the way of thinking about it, there's another framework of thinking about it too. How long should you code every day? So Steve Pavlina has written this great article called Plotters versus Bursters. And this article addresses the issue of the different personality types that exist. And he simplified it into 2 distinct different personality types. And what's funny is that Aaron is sitting here and he's actually a perfect example of, he's kind of a burster too, but he's very good plotter. And I would be a burster. So there are 2 different personality types. So for example, if you're a plotter or a burster, none of them are bad. They both have pros and cons. So for example, you're very good at creating systems and making sure that you are going by them, and you have not that much problem like consistently sticking with them. That's something I have a problem with. So Aaron how skinny did you used to be, Aaron?
I was 110 pounds when I graduated high school.
110 pounds when you Jesus Christ.
10 inches.
Fuck. 5'10" and 110 pounds?
Or something like 115 pounds maybe.
That is ridiculously skinny. That is really skinny.
Yeah.
So you were 110 pounds. How much do you weigh now?
Right now, I weigh 155.
Okay. So right now he weighs about 155 pounds. And you put on a lot of this weight pretty quickly.
Yeah, I actually hit 172 pounds in 6 months. But
172 pounds.
From 140.
Okay.
I went from 115 to 140 over the course of like 4 years. And then in 6 months, I put on another 25, 30 pounds.
Okay, so yeah, he put on he put on a crap ton of weight. He even went up to 172 pounds. Dempsey says he's 110 as well. Huh. So he put on a crap ton of pounds in 6 months in a short amount of time, and he went all the way up to 172 pounds from a 110-pound guy. But he's very good at systematically he was following his caloric diet. He had a step-by-step system in place. He would hit his caloric goals. He had a trail mix that he would eat every day, and he just did it over and over and over and over again, and eventually he got this massive success, okay? Or in his case, he ended up even getting a little bit on the fatter side, but it was a huge win, and now he's much better. Now, for me, that is really hard because I've been trying to gain weight for the last 6 years, and it doesn't happen because I'm much better at bursting and just going all in for short periods of time. Almost think of it like sprinting versus a marathon. Like if we could just look at it from life, like he's a marathoner and I'm a sprinter. So for me, it's a very hard thing to actually improve in weight because it just requires me to be so disciplined and consistent. I need to do things fast. So for example, when it comes to coding, how long should I code every day? Because I'm a burster, for me, it's much easier for me to just go in a 2 to 3 month long, massively obsessive cycle of coding and spend 15 hours a day coding or 10 hours a day coding. And then after 3 months, just like fucking not even think about coding for another few months. I can do that. That I'm really good at. For example, for him, maybe it might be better for somebody with Aaron's personality type to just code systematically. Have it in your calendar for 30 minutes a day or an hour a day and just consistently hit that 30 minutes or 1 hour time and just do it day in and day out, day in and day out. You don't even have to attach any emotions to it. It's just something you do. And then over the course of a year, you see massive results in your success. So what personality type are you? Are you a plotter or a burster? Are you more of Aaron or are you more of Kazi? And just drop it in the chat below. I'd love to see what personality types we have in this chat right now so we can get a sense of what's going on. What are successful people willing to do that unsuccessful people aren't? David says, do you work better with an open space or a space where things can be a little more inspirational in regards to creativity? That's a very good question, and I'm actually going to address that right away. So we got some answers, and people are like, I'm a plotter. So some say they're more like bursters or Kazi in this case. Sam says he's more like a burster. Masai says he's a plotter. So it's actually plotter with 2 D's, not a plotter. Not somebody who sits there and plots evil schemes. All right, so that's good. Gives me some sense of where you guys are at. And I don't know what the other 75 people in this live stream are doing. Like, guys, come on, type. They're like fucking sleeping. All right, so let's move on to this next question of, do you work better with an open space or a space where things can be a little bit more inspirational in regards to creativity? David, my answer to that is absolutely. In different environments, I work completely differently because when I'm at home, I generally my brain doesn't function that well when it comes to productivity and working. I work much better outside of home. So if I'm at a Starbucks, I work really well. If I am at some kind of cool coffee shop where I can just eat my food, drink my coffee, and just zone in, and then there's just an ambiance of people around me doing stuff, That's really helpful. Another spot that's really helpful is a co-working spot, such as WeWork. That's another one that's really helpful. These guys are laughing at the plotter.
Yeah, I am a plotter. That's how I got in here.
Yeah.
Plotting.
I'm more of a burster. Josh says I'm with Aaron. He's a plotter too. Is motivation required for coding? That's a good question. Yes, you're going to need to be motivated, but motivation won't last you, right? Which is why you need to then eventually put a system in place. So motivation is almost always going to be temporary because it's tied to your willpower, and willpower is limited. There's a book on this concept too. I can't recall the book name, but your willpower is limited. It's like a gas tank. It will eventually run out. So you want to set systems into place, in which case then you don't have to constantly keep relying on your willpower. So what I would recommend for you is first be motivated, right? Just like watch YouTube videos on coding, and while you're eating or while you're about to sleep, just kind of immerse yourself in the world of coding. And then what you should focus on is, once that motivation is developed, then try to build systems that get you to code every day and make it a daily habit. Make it a daily routine that you do every single day. So yeah, there's Abdullah. Yes, there is a book called The Power of Habit, and that's a really good book. Except the narrator's voice is annoying as shit, so I couldn't pay attention to it after a while. But the book is great. So if you can get the non-audible version, or at least if I could give myself that advice and get the non-audible version, that'd be a lot better. Yash says, what's your ultimate goal this year? Great question, Yash. My goals are very process-based rather than outcome-based. So for example, if you asked me last year, I would say like make $1 million, get a purple belt in jiu-jitsu, squat 225 pounds, deadlift 315 pounds, be in a relationship. I would have like these really outcome-focused goals. This year, my goals are very process-based, because what I've realized is it's hard to control your outcomes. It's not that hard to control your process. And if you can focus on the process more than the outcomes, you will stay on the right track for the rest of your life. Whereas if you just focus on the outcomes, once you get that thing, you kind of stop. The goal is over. Eckhart Tolle says there's two ways to be miserable. One is to get what you want, and one way is to not get what you want, and the second way is to get what you want. So kind of like a brain fuck, but it is true. And the more miserable way is honestly, once you get what you want and you realize you're still miserable, that's a lot scarier, because then you don't even have anything to look forward to. So that's why I am really going away from goal-focused, outcome-focused goals, because I lost a lot of motivation last year for that reason. And I was like, yo, I hit every goal I could dream of. I'm making way more money than I could dream of, than I thought that could be possible, at least in my little imagination. I'm like, I helped a lot of people around me that I could, and in my family as well. And then it was just, I kind of ran out of things to do. And then I just dicked around a lot and just wasted a lot of time. I mean, wasted, but just had a lot of fun. And almost felt as if I lost my way in 2018. Like I kind of lost my way. That's why in 2018, if you look back, there weren't even that many videos I made. I was kind of off the map from Clever Programmer. I didn't even want to do Clever Programmer anymore. I was just going to stop and not do this anymore. Just do something else. I was like, I don't even want to be a programmer anymore. You know, I don't want to just box myself into this one area. There's so much more to life than just coding. And then I woke up and I was like, fuck no, there isn't. Coding is life. No, I'm kidding. But no, for me, I just realized I was so focused on outcomes that it just, once I got them, it just blinded me. And I don't want to do anything else. And then I realized if I focus on the hunt, the game, if I focus on losing, if I focus on the pain, the journey, and I start finding joy out of all of those things, if I fucking start finding joy out of pain, if I start finding joy out of losses, if I start finding joy in the craziness that takes place for you to get these goals, if I start finding joy in the process and the systems, I will never go wrong. That's where I get if I can start getting my dopamine rushes in my brain from that, instead of the 1 second I can get them from an outcome, now we're on the right track. So to answer your question, instead of outcome focused goals and the goals that I told you about, make a mill, this, that, or the other thing, my goals this year are get to the gym 200 times this year. Make 300 videos for Clever Programmer. Create 6 new products for Clever Programmer. We'll see how I go with this, but create 100 videos for my personal brand for Rafe Kazi, because I want to get into more, like, I love coding, I love programming, don't get me wrong, but there, like, a lot of the audience for coding, there are few people who have that entrepreneurial mindset and are like, there's more to life than just like a $40,000 a year job. That's like where most people's heads at. And I realize I can't really fight that and I can't really change that. Yes, there's some people who can start to see beyond and go, okay, I see I can run a business. I see I can start to freelance, and they learn how to dream bigger and do that. But there's too much resistance and fighting there. So with the personal brand, I really want to share different types of concepts that I really, really enjoy personally. Like, I love business. I want to talk about business. I want to talk about how you can earn an income that's more than $50,000 a year. Like, I want to talk about how you can earn an income that's $200,000, $300,000, or $400,000 a year or more. How can you have a team of people that you lead? How do you become an actual leader? How do you make impact in different people's lives? I do want to also talk about fitness and things like relationships on that. So that's what I would be really interested in, and that's one of the things I want to do. So that's why that's one of my goals, to make 100 videos for my personal brand. But keep in mind, my goals are very process focused this year, going back to answering your question. So hopefully that answers your question and gives you guys some fodder for your goals. So drop in the comments below right now, what are some process focused goals that you could concentrate on this year? It could be 1, 2, or 3 things. For example, for me, it's 200 times at the gym, 300 videos for one brand, 100 videos for another brand. For you, it could be 100 days of coding, or this, that, or the other thing. So what are some process-focused goals that you can do? Sam, good question. Sam asks, how do you manage to post videos consistently? Being consistent is sometimes hard to execute on my part. Sam, that's a really good question. And the answer is, you just got to do a lot of them. Then you'll start becoming better. And also, I have a team of people working with me at this point, and it's not just me. So you need to learn how to become a leader and have a team of people. But don't focus on the team part right now. Just focus on, even if you're producing 1 video a week, just then focus on just staying consistent with 1 a week for now. And then eventually you could ramp it up, and you can even bring other people to work with you. Okay, so I would like to focus on data science this year. That's a weird goal because you would like to focus. Like, are you going to do it or not, first of all? All right. That's not a goal, Avinash. So you need to be like, and I would like to focus on, like, all of those words don't mean anything. They're very vague. So you can say, I'm going to take one data science course this year. I would like to focus on is like a whole lot of bullshit. And you're saying this because you get to write a goal and feel good that you wrote a goal, but you're never going to do this because it's so vague and it doesn't even have any meaning to it. That's what a lot of people do when it comes to goal setting. They will say something that allows them to get out of that goal because nobody can quantify that. Nobody can measure that. Nobody can hold you accountable to that. And you also feel like you hit that goal. So you want to make your goal very specific. I'm going to go on to the next person. Completing whole Python. That is also a very weird goal, Anupam, because there's no such thing as completing entire Python. It's like if I said completing entire English or insert some other language. It's the goal is not achievable. So you want to get very specific with it. Complete a beginner course or complete this specific Udemy course or this, that, or the other thing, right? Or code X amount of days. Andrew Nugent says programming coach. So that's an outcome-focused goal, not a process-oriented goal, Andrew. But good goal to have. So I'm glad that you have that goal. But it's a specific goal, so I like that. Ramjam says this year I want to be a badass freelancer. Again, a vague outcome-focused goal. Probably not going to even achieve it. If you have such vague goals, you're not going to achieve them. That's kind of just the sad truth of the situation. Get better at understanding programming languages. Saeed says you're more of a burster, but how can you stay consistent? It's hard for me to stay consistent. I don't stay consistent. I work in obsessive cycles. So I'll work in obsessive, like right now we're creating one video every single day. But probably then I'll get sick of making videos and I'll want to do something fucking else. I'm just going to stop doing everything and I'll go live in like Sweden for a few weeks or a few months. And then I'll come back to things. So that's just me, but I know myself. But then having a team of people allows me to be consistent. But for that period, I'm like very relentless. One hour of coding every day for this year. Gafar, that's a very great goal to have. I like that goal a lot. Norbit says, you already helped change my mindset on success. Now it's just the doing. Remember, you can only lead us to the door that is changed. We have to walk through it. Thanks, bro. Yes. So you do have to you have the power to walk through the door. And then and thank you for even giving me the privilege to be able to do that. But yeah, like if I am in that position to be able to help you guys with that, that's great. But I'm sure you guys can lead yourself to the door and go through it, but definitely you have to do the walking through part, okay? Whether you're taking something from me or listening to me or you're listening to somebody else, it doesn't really matter. But what matters is like fast, rapid, brutal execution, like relentless execution. Which language should I learn first? Python. My goal is to be done coding at least startup level. Don't really know what that means, bro. Okay, I want to finish my Python course that I bought from Clever Programmer. Start first project in Python programming. Dean, good. Still vague goals. Still get clearer on them. So I want to or you will. Okay. So I will finish my Python course that I bought from Clever Programmer. Boom. That's one. Two, I will complete my first project with Python. All right, not start, like you're giving yourself, like, you see what I'm saying? Or are you still gonna
20 GitHub commits a day.
Oh Jesus, that's actually a solid goal, Mikhail.
Dang.
I like that goal. Doing at least 20 commits a day. That's a solid goal. I love that. Priyanka says, 1, I'm going to do workouts 3 times a week. Great. I love that. 2, I'll improve my communication skills. That's a vague goal, but so get more specific with it. Maybe you'll go to an ESL class for 20 times in a year. Or if it's not ESL and it's some other communication, then you should specify, I'll take like 2 courses on this. So be specific. 3, she says, learn 50 books about UI and UX. That's a lot of fucking books. But okay. And also UI development. So that'd be great if you could do that. And 4, get my job in a startup. Okay, Priyanka, so far you are the winner. You are the one who like really gets how to set process-oriented goals. And thank you for putting it in, like numbering it as well. Like number 1, number 2. I love that. Golden Honey, I seriously answered your question. Like, learn Python. You can also watch my video called What Programming Language Should I Learn First, where I'm much nicer and I go into much more detail about it. So check that one out too. I would answer you in like a lot of detail, but that topic, I love it. And then I go down that rabbit hole and then it'll take like 30 minutes me explaining it. So it would be just much better if you just check out What Programming Language Should I Learn First. Look it up and you will love that video. That video is awesome. But in short, you should do Python. Okay. Okay. What happened?
Oh no, that's a good one.
Which one?
At the very bottom.
Okay, so Anupam says, how do I find people having the same mindset as I have? Well, it's what does your mindset tell you to do? And then look up those things. So for example, my mindset tells me I should go fucking lift. Then what I need to do is find gyms where I can find the strongest, most badass power lifters and then go there. If my mindset is telling me that I need to become a coder, then I need to look up meetups where developers are there. And if I can't find meetups, then I should go to co-working spaces, because at co-working spaces, there are a lot of developers there as well. So yeah, that is very important. Okay. So that's how I would think about it. Golden Honey, you are very welcome.
Simply language scope.
Okay, Dave Locke says his goals are, and hello, Dave Locke. He's one of our students in our program, Profitable Shortcut. So he says, learn the basics of Python in the next 2 weeks. Build and monetize phase 1 of the SaaS project by mid-May. Develop a team to build the project into full tool suite by September. So these are now, again, I'm going to do a little golf clap here, because I like when there's like 3 people who wrote down like very specific process-based goals. So I love that. So yeah, learn the basics of Python. Like so somebody earlier said learn Python. That's not going to happen, but learning the basics of Python and then also wrapping a time frame around it of the next 2 weeks, that's very smart. So that's good. And then he has the same, another thing with building and monetizing phase 1 of the SaaS project by mid-May. There's also a time duration there. what he's going to be building and like specifically what he's going to be building. So that's all the way throughout all of his goals. That makes these goals very specific. He's able to be held accountable by these goals, and he's going to also hold himself accountable by these goals. That's why you want to set very specific goals, because most people just set vague ass goals so they never have to feel like they're being held accountable by them. All right. Jitendra says, one, I should go to gym every day. No, take out the should word. Either you're going to go or you're not going to go. So either write not going to go to the gym every day, or you're going to say go to the gym every day. But don't write should. 2, analyze a data set every day. Okay. 3, start practicing data sets in Kaggle. 4, read 10 pages of a book. And 5, play Skyrim mission daily. Nice. Okay, good goals. All right, I'm liking these now. Okay, guys, so just if you guys are here so far, what I wanted to do for you guys, right, is questions like how long should I code every day? And also other things, as in, I know some people even on this live stream asked, how did I become a developer or a freelancer? And what we did for you guys is we wanted to put together a gift, an epic training, because this is just a surprise live stream we did for you guys. And so we're like, okay, how can we even give you guys more? So we put together this epic training that where I want to basically show you, like, how did I become a developer? What were the exact steps that I took to be able to become a developer, to get my freelancing job opportunities, and then eventually other things such as how did I hire other developers to work for me as well? How did I manage to earn a 6-figure income while I was going to college, Oakton Community College? So some of you guys know my backstory, some of you guys probably don't. But either way, I put something together for you guys, and we put something together for you guys, a training to give you guys all those things, okay? If you guys look in the description in this live stream where it says, I'll reveal to you my step-by-step system of how I became a developer and how you can use that to become a badass freelancer yourself, we have the link there. It's a Crowdcast link. Go to that, and it's the training. You can sign up for it. It's completely free to sign up for this training, so there's no fucking reason you shouldn't. If you're still here and you're interested in this, okay? If you're not interested in this, don't sign up, because if you don't want to become like a Python freelancer or a developer, then probably don't sign up, okay? Then you can just go through my free courses and everything, which are just as awesome, which are super cool. But if you want to do those things that I just mentioned, then definitely sign up, because we want to give you a step-by-step system that you could follow and make your journey just a lot easier and simpler and more streamlined. All right. I will also try to screencast this thing maybe, and that will look probably show you guys at least what this page looks like. Should do it here like that. All right, here we go. So what I'm going to do is hit clear layer. Now, hopefully you guys are seeing this screen. Let's see. Are they seeing this screen? Are they seeing this? Yeah, they are. So you're going to go to this page. The link is at the top right there. And the link is also in the YouTube description. You're going to see this title. You're going to look at my beautiful face. You're going to make eye contact with me in the picture for a few seconds. And then you're going to click Save My Spot. Just pop in your email. And I think it also tells me how many people have signed up and stuff. So I'll show you guys that too, because I think that'll be cool. But I'm going to start the video again. Oh, wait. Did it work? Oh, it wasn't showing. My bad, guys. Okay, now it should be showing. I'm sorry. Now it should show. Okay. So you're going to go here. You're going to make eye contact with me on this picture for a few seconds. Once you're done doing that, you see where it says Save My Spot? It's looking nice and juicy. Click that. You're going to pop in your email right here. The link is at the top. Click the link, put in your email, and then once this training goes live, which it's going to do in 3 days. Did we? That doesn't sound like 3 days. Friday isn't 3 days away. Hold on. Tuesday? Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, 3 days and 18 hours, 12 hours. Okay, whatever. I guess it makes sense.
3.5 hours. Yeah, at noon, right?
Yeah, so just
right.
go ahead and sign up. And then I think it'll tell me how many people have signed up, and I'll count you. I'll shout you guys out, and I think it lets me chat with you guys or something too. So I think that'll be pretty dope. But this is an epic free training you could sign up for, and will blow your mind and just give you massive, stupid amounts of value in there. So let's go back and pop my face back in Aaron's face. Aaron.
Kazi.
Aaron's face back in. Oh shit, was I too zoomed in? Damn it. No, they couldn't see anything. They're like, we're not seeing it.
This is how every day goes.
God, freaking technical difficulties, man. All right, let's see Golden Honey's. Whoa. Lebo Gang says, I've been coding for 10 years. I feel I have reached the ceiling on everything I've been exposed to so far. How do I get to know what I don't know? You need to focus on learning how to sell. You should read books like 10X by Grant Cardone, and you need to learn negotiation and all those things, because at this point, your problem is not going to be a skill set. Your problem is like, how do you get yourself to make a lot more fucking money? Okay, that's it. Make more money. Fall in love with money. All right, because money is what will help you make an impact in people's lives. Money is what will allow you to support yourself and other people around you. Money is very, very important, and it's just something that is not taught to us and is told to us to look down upon and make fun of, like this guy. But it's very important, okay? So that's what I would focus on, because we have some developers. I recently got this email by this guy, and he's making 133 euros an hour right now as a developer, and he's getting a job where he's going to be making 200 euros an hour. So his yearly salary is going to be 348,000 euros per year, which is pretty intense, right? But it's doable. You guys just need to get better at that. My brother is making about over 350 grand a year at his job. So there are jobs with a lot of money, but it's just, if you're going to stay in this little like programming community with these little like, oh, $40,000 a year, I'm just happy for the rest of my life. It's so great. Oh, like I just don't resonate with that. And up until last few years, like I just feel like I was trying to please everyone, but I just realized that I don't want to be around those people. They don't want to be around me, and it's just not a good match ultimately. So for me, it's like I really want to be around high-performing, entrepreneurial thinking people who want to become developers, either to grow their business, hire other developers, or get a job that pays like stupid amounts, and then be able to live the lifestyle that they actually dream of. You know, not just $40,000 a year, some job security, and I'm set. You know, that doesn't excite me, and I hope it doesn't excite you either. Okay, moving on. Golden Honey says, I'm going to start learning the... Wait, hold on. Let's see how many people signed up. Whoa! Wow, this is sick. Sorry, we're going to take the question in a second. This is way too fun. All right, so we're going to go here. Sam says, what's going on? Hi. Avinash says, I just subscribed. Jitendra is in here. Sam is in here. Ratansha is excited. Vishal is writing in full caps to make sure I see everything. 31 registered attendees. That is sick, boys.
What is it? Out.
And girls. Yeah, I'm going to zoom out. Whoa, quickly.
It's only in the middle of the screen, right?
Damn it. Is it showing?
You could make the window smaller.
Wait, hold on. Why is it doing that? Okay, guys, sorry. We're having like a technical difficulty thing here. We're trying to figure this shit out for you guys. Is it showing now? It's too fast. I can't see.
Split the screen too.
Why doesn't it allow me to just... Oh my god, this is getting way too complicated. I'm getting... Okay, for this, I really need a college degree. Should have gotten my degree when I had the chance. Okay, I think I figured it out. Hold on, guys. Just hold on. Yo, is this making it smaller or what is it doing? That's what she said.
Recording it so. Yes, it's making it smaller, Kazi.
I don't think it's making it smaller at all. It's this drag. I'm just dragging it, right?
Yeah.
Wow, this is depressing. All that programming for nothing, huh?
Maybe not cut. What does that mean?
No, cut won't. Oh man, this is so bad. Whoa! Everything showed. Okay, I think it's showing. Why are these guys saying whoa like that?
Whoa!
Okay, guys, so if you come to this page, which you can come to by clicking in in the description below, and it says step-by-step system to become a Python freelancer, click that, and then you can sign up, and then you can be one of these cool kids and talk with us. So we have 32 people registered so far, which is awesome. So Sam registered, Gabriel, Mayank, Avinash, Abik, Ramjan, Vishal, Jitendra, Ratansh, Aaron, Mikhail Salud, Abik, Aaron, Des,
What up?
Sayed
What up?
Alif.
Aaron, fam.
You guys should just sign up with his name. That's it.
No, do that.
There are 14 live now, and there's 32 registered. So Lanash, Krishna, Ravi, Tala, Shobit, Singh, let's see, Lorenzo Williams, and Mayank. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We're also using this new tool and seeing if it works. Nobody's typing in the chat anymore. That's kind of lame. Can they hear us? They can hear us. Hi, guys. All right, I'm leaving this place now. Oh, they can even... Okay, you guys can ask a question, too. Just don't ask it in all caps. I'll delete it. Oh, it's probably a good question, but it's just... It's in caps, so I have to delete it. I'm sorry. Just ask it calmly and with proper grammar and no spelling mistakes. If you ask it intelligibly, I promise I don't miss anything. I see everything, but just do it in a beautiful way where then it makes me want to answer you, you know? Otherwise, it looks like you're desperate, and then I don't want to answer you, and that girl that you've been trying to reach doesn't want to answer you. And it's a fucking mess. So just do it right.
He's making fun of me.
Let's do it right. Okay.
What if she's watching right now?
She's going to be lit. Oh, thank you, Sam, for dropping the link in the chat. Fuck yeah. Should we put him on a timeout? Put user on a timeout. Should we hide him?
Ban him from the channel.
Let's report him. Yeah, okay, no. We're going to add him as a... Sam, we're making you a moderator. You're now a moderator of our channel. If anybody talks shit, delete them. If anybody doesn't ask a perfect question, delete them. No, I'm kidding. Don't delete them in that case. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We had so many technical difficulties there, guys. I'm sorry. Aaron got AirPods, Dempsey says. Yes, he has black AirPods. Bhawana says, you both are looking amazing. Thank you. We try. Magnesh says, everyone dislike very fast? What a distasteful comment, Magnesh. It's okay. We love you guys anyway. Is PyCharm good for Python coding? Okay, let's see. Golden Honey says, been done it. Awesome, Golden Honey. I hope you've signed up for our thingy-majigger that we linked you guys to. Devin says, oh, everybody who signed up, drop the word, What word should we give them? Something random.
Studelbank.
If you signed up, drop it like it's hot. Drop the word Studelbank in the chat. This is how it is spelled. This is the official spelling. Drop that word if you signed up for the 6 steps to freelance training that we put together for you. Abdullah says, Kazi, do you believe that our brains will wear off if we focus too much on productive time, 12 plus hour coding, reading books, gym, and ignore other times like hanging out with friends, watching movies? No, your brains will not wear off, and you should not ignore hanging out with friends. So for example, find friends who you can go to the gym with, find friends who you could code with. That would be fantastic, right? I go with this guy, we go box.
Yeah. He beats the crap out of me.
Don't beat me up, man. Don't beat me up while we're live. So basically, yeah, just find friends to do those same things with. Also, you can put a timer. At 7 p.m., call your day quits, right? Start your day at 5 a.m., be hyper productive, and then at 6 or 7 p.m., call the workday quits, and then go hang out with your friends and do fun stuff. And there you go. That's your secret, okay? Dempsey says, I will register tomorrow because I'm on my phone right now. I'm tired right now. God damn it, Dempsey. But we're going to hold you accountable. We're going to be looking at freaking live stream. We're going to be looking at the email list. And if we don't see your name in there, we're going to come after you, buddy. We're going to be looking for your name. Every 10 minutes, we're going to refresh. We're going to write a Python script to do that. Hey, guys, who's down for some live coding right now? What if we just did some live coding? Like, created something random. Would you guys be down for that? Like, if we just worked on a random web scraping project and I linked you that thing at the end and you could use it for whatever? Sounds like a terrible idea. Say no, guys. Say no. Please. I beg you. I don't want to do it right now. Devin says, Kazi, help. I got a question. I failed my intro to CS degree. A Java class I failed and I'm taking it again. Any tips to learn Java, man? Give me some tips to pass the damn class. Devin, first of all, I want to say that's very depressing. You failed the class. Our condolences, Devin. At this point, what should Devin do? Should he quit?
I say no.
Yes, I say yes. He should quit.
Yeah, that's why we get along so well.
Okay, Devin. Look, man, classes don't mean shit. I failed so many classes, I couldn't even count them on my fingers. Yeah, don't worry about it. Just build real stuff, okay? Build real projects. Most classes that are taught are bullshit anyway. Also, college is a fucking scam. I've been saying this for as long as I remember. You guys all whine. Like, all these people whine over a $50 course from the internet. $97 course. Oh my God, Kazi's course is $97 whole dollars. But people will not flinch paying thousands of dollars for a college class that doesn't teach you any practical skills, doesn't teach you business skills. The professor hasn't ever worked in a real job, and because he cannot find a real job is the reason why he's there as a professor teaching you. Like, you understand that, right? It's pretty fucked up. Now, if that's not fucked up enough, USC, was USC, right, that the scandal happened with? Or was it just like all big colleges, Stanford and all that, right?
The scandal?
Yeah, you guys know about the college scandal, like with Stanford and everything?
No.
Yeah, there's a huge scandal that just took place. So if you guys look up like Stanford scandal or whatever, all these people, or essentially turns out a lot of the people, like the rich parents, are paying colleges to enroll their kids into schools. These kids aren't even coming in because of grades or skill or talent. They're just coming in because of money. Again, now people are going to be like, oh my God, money's bad. No, money's not bad. It's just how you use it, right? That's just the only thing. But yeah, like like Guys, hierarchy is like built into the college system. Take a look at standardized testing. It's the dumbest shit on the planet. Like ACT tests and SAT tests, which take place in the United States, are so stupid. To get a good result on these tests, you have to just practice the test. Like, you understand how useless that is? And people spend their time to do that. Don't play the game. Opt out. You have the chance to opt out and instead use that time to build a lifelong skill that will last you somewhere. Like this Clever Programmer brand I spent time building instead of spending time practicing an ACT test. And my same friends who would say to my face that even a monkey, I scored like a 19 on my ACT, which is super terrible. I just never studied for ACT. My friends who all got a 36 out of a 36, they're super intelligent. They would say to my face that even a monkey would score higher than a 19. Straight up. Friends who cared for me would genuinely look into my eyes and would say, my friend, they would like hold my face and say, even a monkey would score a higher than a 19. So apparently my intelligence level is dumber than a monkey's, okay? But a lot of those friends are now doing a job where they're not as happy making $10 or $14 an hour, and it's not even in the field that they wanted. The degree that they got doesn't map at all to the career that they have and never actually will, as depressing as that is. And they're stuck in that 9-to-5 grind, that soul crush of doing something that they never dreamed of, and are going to become a person that they never wanted to become. And eventually, what does that do? That builds resentment. And ultimately, it builds resentment towards yourself. And ultimately leads to a very dark and very sad life. A life filled with regrets. So, don't worry about the little F you got, man. The life is much bigger. Like that one class is just one little tiny blip. It has zero impact on your life. So I hope, Devin, that helps clear your mind. Okay, let's see. Did anybody write Studebank?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
Like, why did that come to my mind?
That is hilarious. I totally overlooked that. Oh my God. Wow, these people are like dropping the links and shit to the crowdcast. I love you guys. You guys are fucking so sexy. I swear to God. I'm going to make Golden Honey the moderator as well. What if Golden Honey just goes and deletes all our videos? It's so fucked up. Okay. How much money do you get from Google for having 331,000 subscribers? You get money based on views that you accumulate. So on average, I get $1,000 to $2,000 a month from YouTube. It's not much. YouTube ad revenue is like nothing. If you ever want to start a business, don't focus on YouTube ad revenue. It wouldn't matter until you get bajillion views. You should focus on like building things and then selling those things. So offer, like for example, we offer courses at Clever Programmer that help people turn into developers. Now, this is a very real business problem we solve. And we have students who went through our courses and started making $130,000 a year and saved up $20K and got jobs for $90,000 a year or more. So it works. That's why people pay us, work with us, and then will pay us even more to be in our premium programs. So if you are creating a channel or a personal brand, you want to make sure that it is something where you are not just doing it for subscribers and ad revenue, but you have a service that you can offer or a product that you can offer that actually helps real people get real results. Otherwise, it's going to get real tricky. Studebank. This is so funny, dude. Devin says, wow, you forgot about my question. Devin, fuck you. I literally spent like an hour on your question. I'm blocking Devin. Or maybe like
It was before.
maybe there was lag. Okay, we still love you, Devin. Just kidding. All right, let's see. Will smoking weed make me a worse programmer? Probably not. I don't think so. Do you think so? Think smoking pot will make you a worse programmer? No, might actually make you a better programmer. You might have syntax errors, but you might also be working on really cool projects.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Like, you gotta really figure it out there. I personally don't smoke. I personally don't drink. I like to be very clear-headed always, and I'm always the designated driver. But I have nothing against people who smoke. I just never will do it. But yeah, this good stew, you should try it out and see where you perform better and log it. Okay, and then see where you're better. All right, so Stoodlebank, oops, Stoodlebank, oops. Make video on projects. How you? 1:20 a.m. here. Yep, it's 11:30 p.m. here. All right, let's see. Yes, live coding will be lit. Oh my God, so many people are saying yes, yes, yes. Let's go to live coding. Totally a terrible idea to say yes to. Don't say yes. Say no.
You guys want to program Hello World?
This guy says, bloody damn well said about colleges. You just poured out the feeling from my heart, Kazi. Good. Very good. Man, you guys gotta ask better questions. I'm like skimming through and I'm not finding lots of good questions, so that's why I'm skipping them. But if you guys ask good questions, we will address them. Like, for example, this one dude just keeps asking about like if we can help him set up IDE in Atom. Like, what do you expect us to do? Like, we're gonna just jump off this live stream and be like, yo, bro, like, let's go. But okay, otherwise, the same question you asked me, just YouTube it, okay, or Google it. But ask me something I can answer you here, not so that I have to jump off and then go on a one-on-one, Skype session with you, because that's not gonna happen right now. Yeah, okay. Devin, now you've said something else that triggers me, okay? I'm going to fucking go hard on this. So let's read Devin's question, everybody, together, and let's all get triggered. Devin says, I got a teacher right now that I got a super easy teacher and I will pass, but then I have to take Java, which then I'll be screwed. Lol, I am 100% agree with you that uni or university is bad, but it's what my parents want. Now, here's what I'm going to say that a lot of you are going to love, okay? Fuck your parents. And I mean that with a lot of respect, okay? I love my parents. I deeply appreciate them. I deeply respect them. 60 to 70% of what drives me to do what I do in life is because of my parents. And the goals I want to achieve are for my parents. I want to be able to just get them a house and go, boom, here you go. They're going right now to Saudi Arabia for a few days. So I want to handle all of their expenses. So I'm going to be doing that too. But what I mean by fuck your parents is in a very respectful way, actually, which means that they're not living your life. You have to go on to live your life for the next 60, 70, 80 years. You can choose to do something that makes them happy, makes you miserable, which in the long run is going to lead you to resent them because they helped you make the wrong choice for your future, and then you're going to lead a shitty life, and then you're going to blame it on your parents, and that resentment is going to show. In which case, ultimately, your parents don't want you to have a bad life. Ultimately, their goal, like, you have to understand at a deeper level what their goal is. Their goal, they don't care about university. They care about you having a good, great, incredible life. University is the only way that they can think of that might be helpful and beneficial to you. They can't think of something else because maybe in their paradigm shift and in their lifestyle, they never figured out those opportunities. So if look at your parents objectively and tell me, are they where you want to be? Are they the person you want to be? And again, I'm not talking about like if your parents are very emotional creatures and very emotional beings and they're very empathetic and they're super like amazing and happy going. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like, are your parents at the financial level where you want to be? Are your parents at, in different things in life where they want to be? And if those things you want to model, then for sure, just do everything that they say. But if you believe that there is a better way, there is a way for you to achieve more, then you have to listen to the people who have those results. So, for example, my parents are incredible at being respectful. My parents have an incredible amount of heart. They have incredible amount of determination for what they do and drive and fire. So all those things, I go to my parents to learn. Just whatever they say, I just listen so I can get those attributes and qualities in my life. But my parents aren't at the financial level where I want to be at. So I'm not going to take their advice on those things. I still can love them. I'm not going to take my mom's advice on running a marathon or being healthy because she doesn't have those things. So you need to at some point understand what are the great things you can take from your parents, still respect them, love them, but then what are the things you need to model from other people who have the results you want to have in life. Okay? So don't be a lazy idiot who is just going to do something because their parents want, and you're also being lazy because you don't want to figure it out. I mean, that's the real answer. And this is about your life. So if you want to have a life that's just determined by other people and you just want to be a leaf in the wind and just like let either your parents or your external environment or this person or that person determine what you do for the rest of your life, go on. But if you want to take your life in your control and live a life where you can help then make an impact on other people's lives and you have that positive impact in the world, then you have to take control of your life. All right. Then you can't be this leaf in the wind, just be like, oh, it's because my parents wanted this or my teacher told me I should do this. You need to take responsibility. Okay. And with responsibility, the decisions you make, you have to take the punishment or whatever it is that comes with that too. So when I came from a family which is also very cultured, so when I decided to drop out of college, you guys have no fucking idea how hard it was to deal with my family and deal with my parents and get through that. But I did it because at that point, that was a right decision that I made for myself with my thoughts and that I thought that was the best. Okay? Again, I'm not encouraging you to drop out of college. I'm just encouraging you to think independently, not be fucking lazy and let other people think for you. Because ultimately, you have to understand that their goal is with your happiness and your success. Their goal is not so you go to college. But they just don't trust you enough to make the right decision because up until this point in your life, you probably haven't done that much to make them trust you. But for me, when I was already making a six-figure income or close to a six-figure income, and then I started wanting to focus on my own business and I dropped out of college, my parents were able to quickly then support me in whatever I was doing because they're like, okay, now he's not an idiot. He's not going to be famished and hungry and starving and jobless and homeless. He actually knows what he's doing. So with little steps, right, they ended up believing in me. And then I ultimately won over their support. And then it changed the trajectory of my life, even though that was very difficult. Right now, Devin, you are taking the path of what's called the least resistance. All right? That's all you're trying to do. You're just trying to flow through life like a leaf in the wind. The wind goes this way, or like, oh, this is what just my parents want. And I don't want to take Java, but I'm just going to take it again. And maybe I'll just fail it again. And I'll just take it with the same teacher again. And just a leaf in the wind. And it's brutal hearing this because I just see this so many times. Like, you're just going to have this over the course of years. It's just going to be a life that you don't want. So if you want to change something, you need to change it fucking now. All right? And it means you need to start thinking independently. You need to start making decisions independently. You need to look up to mentors that have the results that you want. And you still need to be respectful. And you still need to be grateful. And you still need to show up for your family every single day. I swear to God, if you say that I haven't answered your question, I will fucking come after you now.
It's gonna pop up. Watch.
All right, let's move on. Lots of Stoodle banks. This is 1 hour plus live. It is lit. Is it first time? This is amazing, guys. Thank you, Yash, for your support. I love that. Thank you, Sam, for jumping in supporting. Thank you, Golden Honey, for supporting. I love all you guys for being here and supporting it because it makes us want to go. And when you guys ask us awesome questions, it just makes us also want to be there with you guys. Golden Honey says, I'm alcohol free, which is pretty cool. Wow, we had a lot of questions in that time frame. So I'm going to go down pretty fast. What model microphone are you using? I'm using a Yeti, regular Yeti Pro, I believe. Okay, let's see. Devin says, lol, help him set up the IDE. Thank you, Aaron, for making videos on Clever Programmer.
Sunburn, man, the sunburn.
Good job, Aaron.
Thank you, Kazi.
What are your thoughts on podcasting? Any advice on starting out a podcast on Python or AI? Sam, I know you started a YouTube channel. Stick with that shit. Focus on one thing and just go. And then next year, we can talk about podcasts. CS50, Sandbox doesn't work, or is it just me? It's probably just you. Just kidding. I don't know. Look it up. No, don't block Devin, Golden Honey. No, Devin is great. Golden Honey sounds
Sounds so good.
off with your head. Jesus.
Slow your roll, buddy. Not yet.
Moderators gone wild. We should have a channel called Moderators Gone Wild. Yeah.
Send it after that channel that shall not be named.
Yeah. Too good. Okay. You gotta rise above, aim high. That's right. Make it short because you have many questions. Fuck you, Entropy. Start your own live stream. I'm kidding, Entropy. I love you. Sayed says, very bloody, well said, Kazi. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm trying to get to some more questions. Okay, Dempsey, thank you for jumping on here. Learn boxing jiu-jitsu as well. Yes, boxing is very good. Jiu-jitsu is very good too. I'm doing both. Very profound answer. Thanks. Yep, you are welcome, my friend. Okay. Devin, I'm not, again, I never said to drop out. Watch my video, should I drop out of college? It's one of my recent videos, but you got to earn the right to drop out. And I didn't drop out until I was already making a lot of money. But watch that video, it might help you, but I'm going to move on now. Very heartfelt answer. Yes, very, 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 very. Okay, who else is signing up to the 6 Steps to Freelance? It's in the description below. I want to see a lot of people in here. We got people saying Stoodle Bank in here. We got people saying, hello, ¿cómo estás? We got people saying all kinds of stuff. What is the most important what is the most impact yeah, you saw that, right? What is the most impact you made building your Python channel? Great. We got a lot of people here, guys, so I'm gonna share my screen. Let's clear here. Let's go there. Bada bang, bada boom. Let's go here. So as you guys can see, this is the page. I want you guys to get to this page. The link is in the description. You're going to come to a page like this. I'm going to be revealing to you guys my 6-step system to becoming a Python freelancer. The training, it's going to be a live training that I'm doing on March 22nd, Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific time. And I will reveal to you my step-by-step system of how I became a developer and how you can use that to become a badass freelancer yourself this year in 2019. You want in, click save my spot, pop in your email below, and let's do the thing. Let's do this, all right? Hit this thing, bada bam, bada boom, put in your email, kazi@cleverprogrammer.com, hit enter, and then you know, you can pop in a different email, right? Like this one, and then go like this, and then say this and join the event, okay? And then you should be in the event, and then you should be good to go. God damn, this process is wild. It's that easy, all right? Look at that. Welcome to your free first Crowdcast event. Sam is here. What is up? Sam is just chilling in here all day. I love that. And we got already questions coming in. If you guys want to ask a question, please hit this button at the bottom that says ask a question, because that's where your questions go that I can answer that are really, really awesome. So then I can do that. Okay. How much money are you earning with this shit? That's a good question. I upvoted it, and I will answer that during the live stream or during the live webinar training that I'm going to be doing for you guys. When you start this 3-day training or what? That's a bad question. So I'm going to cancel that because it literally says the training starts in 3 days. 50 people have registered. That's amazing, guys. Thank you guys so much for registering. I really, really appreciate you guys. And I would love to have you guys on this training. We're going to give you an insane amount of value on this training. It's going to blow your mind. And jump in, all right? Aaron and I are both going to put this training together for you guys. And also, we're going to get some guy one day, not on this training, but pretty soon. Aaron has a developer who works at Google, and we're going to get him on our YouTube platform and talk about how to get a job at Google. So if you guys are interested in that, you know, drop some love for that in the YouTube chat so we know that's something that might interest you. But cool. So we got some questions coming in. All right. How about, whoa, what excites you waking up in the morning and keep hustling? How do you get that dopamine rush? I love the dopamine rush.
Cocaine.
That's my favorite phrase. Hey, man, don't tell them my secret. All right, guys.
Ammonia in the morning.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Oh, man, I should do like a deadlifting. Just go crazy.
So you get to taste with that girl.
Okay, hold on. How about this? Can I put on a video here for these guys? Let me try that actually. Let's see if I can pop open a video on here. So let's go shots. New shot. Or add media file maybe. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to see if we can like put up a video for you guys or something, and that could be pretty cool. Do you think this will work? Yo, this is gonna be lit. All right, let's give it a try. Let's talk about the job opportunity for software developers and how this market is growing and what your future can be looking like. So right now, Python is the #1 language of 2017. And by 2020,
it's actually going even
that is
higher.
lit.
Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, Reddit, Hipmunk, Eventbrite is built off of Python. So think about all the things that are built with Python. Do you guys know what Google is built with? Python. Let's talk about the
They can hear
how this market is growing and what your future can be looking like. So right now, Python is the number one.
Hey guys. They're like somebody's.
Now, Python is the number one.
Wait, why is it still playing? That's kind of crazy.
Hey guys.
Where is this playing? But it's on YouTube. Oh, on YouTube. Okay. All right. Sorry, I think we blew up some people's ears probably, but yeah, as you guys saw that video, I've been repping Python since 2017. All right, since 2017. So Python all day.
Where's the pillow?
Since 2017, baby. So you guys better stop sleeping on it. The trend is on the uppity up, all right? So you wanna, and Python is hotter than ever right now. So that's why you wanna make sure that you take advantage of learning Python. And especially now, the world is moving with Python. There's a lot of data stuff happening, all right? So when you learn things like reading, writing data, CSV files, becoming a data analyst, becoming a data miner, data scientist are really powerful things you can do with Python. But not just that, you can become a web developer with Python and learn things like Django or Flask, web development frameworks, or learn skills like web scraping and do tons of freelancing gigs. So there's a lot of opportunity for you, okay? It's pretty awesome what's available. Golden Honey says, can I be a permanent operator? Sure, if you come on, live streams, why not? 56 registered people at this event. So if you haven't signed up yet, the link is right here. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Golden Honey, if you're a moderator, please drop the link to at the right time in the chat when I say it, and that'd be fantastic. Thank you so much. All right, let's see what are some other people saying as well. This is a lot of fun. Sam is like, lol. I didn't know it was gonna.
Yeah, pick up our voices.
Tayyib is like, stop screaming. I'm sorry, guys. We just got really excited.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to.
Work like that.
Wait, hold on. Why aren't we putting this on Instagram? By the way, follow me on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. It's what is it? At Clever Kazi.
Yeah.
So at Clever Kazi. So yeah, follow us on IG because we're gonna put everything on IG. Hey everybody on IG, we are live streaming right now. Aaron, Frankie, and a lot of people. We got 66 people live dropping in the chat. Hey guys, say something to IG. Oh, of course, I muted the audio. I didn't know where it muted the audio. The new course is gonna be coming around April 21st. So get ready for that. Yeah, guys, leave a message for the IG world. So we're getting some messages now for the IG world. Sam says, yes, follow Kazi on IG. He's lit on there. Yes, guys. Yes. You could do that. There's a lot of awesome stuff on my IG that you can find. IG world, these people are leaving you messages. So this guy says, hello, IG. The other guy says, yo. Abdullah says, hello, IG. Ayan says, hello. Guys, say something clever, you know, like
Stoodlebank.
Yeah, say something like Stoodlebank or maybe like Quackadoodle. Hey guys, say Quackadoodle. That would be pretty cool. Some messages now for the IT world.
She won't get mad.
Yes. Okay, maybe we should drop IG link. Oh, how many people do you think we could get us to follow on IG, like in the live stream? Because we never get any fucking followers.
Like 5, maybe 5 each live stream.
All right, let's drop this. I think we can get. You think we can get 5? Let's check how many we have right now.
It's not that accurate though. It's not that accurate, is it, on Instagram?
Hold on. There is a tool like Iconosquare that tells you. All right, guys. So we got Quackadoodle coming in hot. Quackadoodle. Sam knows how to spell it. He knows how to spell it. Discuzu says Quackadoodle do. Male YouTube says Doodle Doodle. So yeah, IG, if you're watching this on Instagram, this is what we do on YouTube. Programmers, we just say random words like quackadoodle and stoodle doodle. And if you don't know what programming is, that's really what it is. It's just a bunch of random gibberish like that. Crackadoodle? No, we said quackadoodle, buddy. It's like all their Freudian slip type of stuff is coming out.
Yeah.
Like the other guys, like
It's just a bunch of drug and just like
Weeda doodle. IG stands for Instagram.
Iggy Azalea.
It's short for igloo, actually.
Looks like I'm jacking off.
Hey man, it's PG. PG live stream.
Oh, sorry, kids.
Let's see if somebody's gonna message me on IG. That'll be creepy if I get a DM from somebody. Let's see. I'm checking my DMs right now.
Pythadoodle. I like that.
Oh wow. Watch it be like some crazy stuff show up. So we have a few weird messages like, are you interested in buying followers? This other guy says, she is your wife. And then let's see what oh wow, this person responded. I know that person. Yep. So yeah, guys, this is this is the profile. If you want to follow me here, there's always a lot of valuable stuff that I try to post on my Instagram. Okay. Such as, let's see what we got today. So like, I might have tips like these, you know. Can you guys read that? So I'll have tips like these, and then I'll have good pictures with telling you guys what's coming up. So, you know, this new video we're working on is called Day in the Life of a Programmer. So that's going to come up, and then you also get to see my beautiful face, and that might light up your day. So there's a lot of benefits to following me on IG, you know. Holy crap, we just got a message from Sam, and he said, hey, Quackadoodle. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there we go. There, see? I'm active on IG. You guys will be surprised. I'm very, very active on there. But let's go back to the live stream that we have right now. So we got 61 people registered. That's pretty good. I mean, we can go on till we get 100 people registered. Should we do it? Should we just work on like some random coding project till we get 100 people registered? Or what if we start a live coding project if 100 people register?
Do you have any food around here?
No food till we get 100 people registered.
What if they have a
We don't get to eat if they don't register.
Oh my god. You guys are gonna kill us.
So,
I'm ravenous.
Golden Honey, this is the time to drop the link. Really good time. Because we're not looking at that. Ravenous. Here you go. So yeah, guys, click that link, and here, I'll put this whole copy in here so it's nice and easy for you. But click that link, sign up, and register. And that is going to be freaking fantastic. Let's see how many followers we got today. That's going to allow us to know if somebody came in from here too. This is crazy. Like, this is so cool because now I can connect with you guys on Instagram. And on Instagram, I'm much more personal. It's pretty surprising. Like, you can actually reach me, pretty easily on Instagram. That's what I love about that platform. Because YouTube doesn't allow me to, like, speak to you guys, but Instagram does. So we got 16 subscribers today. I imagine that a bunch of them came right now.
It's recommended to me.
They listened. Yeah, they were listening to me. Thank you, Golden Honey. Thank you, Tayyib. And thank you, Sam, for dropping the link. If you have registered to the 6-step to freelance masterclass / webinar training that I have for you, the live training. So if you don't know, I'm running a live training this Friday at 12 p.m. that we're going to show you how to become a freelancer with Python in 6 steps. And I'm going to show you how I became a developer and how you can become a badass Python freelancer as well. So if you want to do that, make sure you sign up on the link that we provided to you. And that's going to be really cool. Thank you, Golden Honey, to always drop that link right on cue. And Sam, I really appreciate you as well. And if you have signed up, just drop one more time Stoodle Doodle. And after that, we are going to continue and we're going to try to do something with coding. And let's just see what we do, okay? If it's like something crap, then that's what you guys get. If it's something cool, we'll do something cool. But just go and register. If we get, let's say, 70 people to register, then I'm going to work on like an okay project. If we get 80 people to register, I'll work on like a kind of a cooler project. And if we get 100 people to register, we'll work on an app live. And then I'll link you guys the app too at the end. So there you go. That's your gift. That's your gift. We're making them some deals here. Stoodle Bank, Stoodle Doodle, Stoogie. Imagine if this is like how. Imagine if this is how like all our comments look like from now on.
Yeah, it's our own like little cult language.
It's like a little
Stoodle doodle bank bank.
Stoodlebang.com.
Oh my god. Stoodle bang? What is that?
No, I said Stoodle Bank. Get your
Okay.
mind out of the gutter, man.
I'm thinking
Actually, I
about,
said Stoodle Bank. Don't tell them. Struple Wank? What is happening here? Okay. Let's see how many people we get registered. 67 people registered.
Oh, just 2 more.
All right. We will continue. Let's go. Let's do something with the Python training.
Ooh, ripple tit.
All right. We're going to go.
I can't edit this out, can I? I can't edit this out.
Can't.
Oh my goodness.
What should we call it? Let's call it.
Stoodle bang, man.
Oh, Stoodle Bank.
Yeah. We're gonna.
You know what would be
We're
a
gonna get a class
You know
called
what would be a
Stoodle Bank.
terrible idea if I shared the link to this coding thing with everybody?
And let them code into it. Oh
Would
my
that be a
God.
terrible idea?
Yo, what if we like created like the next like Ultron or something? Right here. Remember?
Okay, I'm just gonna do that. This sounds like a stupid ass idea, but I'm gonna start a session, and then
One language of 2017.
So I'm gonna start a session.
And by
So I'm
2020,
here,
it's actually
and I
going
already
even
clicked this
higher.
multiplayer thing. I'm
Instagram,
gonna hit
YouTube,
start session.
Spotify,
So you guys
Reddit,
can come in here
Hitmonk,
and be
Eventbrite
civil,
is built off
and if
of
you're
Python.
civil, you're
so
gonna
think
learn
about
coding. But
all
if you
the
guys
things that are
start
built with
messing up
Python.
my
You
code,
guys know what
then
Google
I can't
is
write
built
code, so it's really up to you.
Python.
But I'm gonna
Let's
hit
talk
start
about the
session.
job
Sounds like a
opportunity for
disastrous
software
idea, but
developers
let's
and
do it
how
anyway.
this market is growing and what your future can
I'm
be
gonna say
looking like.
invite
So
others
right
to
now,
collaborate. I'm
Python
gonna copy this
is
link,
the
and
number
here it
one
comes.
language
Get ready
of 2017.
to the live stream.
And by
Bada bang, bada
2020,
boom.
it's actually going even higher.
Golden Honey says that
Instagram,
Golden Honey will
YouTube,
break it.
Spotify, Reddit, Hitmonk, Eventbrite is built off of Python. So
But
think
it's
about
not like-
all the things that are built with Python. Do you guys know what Google is built
Is it
with?
coming the right way?
Python. Let's talk about the job opportunity for software
feel like
developers and how this market is growing and
not
what
all
your
of it's
future
showing,
can be
right?
looking like. So right
God.
now, Python
Here comes the
is
army.
the #1 language of 2017. And by
Please
2020,
only
it's
let
actually going
Kazi
even
code.
higher. Instagram, YouTube, Spotify,
That's the
Reddit,
only
Hitmonk,
thing we can
Eventbrite
do here
is built off
to
of
stop
Python.
them from coding
so
and
think
just
about
destroying
all the
everything
things that are built
that
with
we worked
Python.
so
you guys
hard
know
to
what
build.
Google is built with?
Inception.
Python.
Wait, what's
Let's
happening
talk
with
about
my
the
voice?
job opportunity for
Oh.
software developers and
Why is this
how
video playing? Stupid video. Deleted it. Sorry, guys. Okay, we're gonna stay in screen capture pretty much the whole time. So there we go. Check your sound, 2 voices. Okay, now the sound should be fixed. I'm sorry, guys. Some difficulties we were having. Sound should be fixed. So let's go. How many people? There's another video playing. It should be fixed now. Okay, so let's code up something, okay? Let's do this. So first of all, I have to get beautiful soup, I think. Beautiful soup. I need beautiful soup version 4. Hold on, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen for just 1 second, and I just gotta get that one file from Amjad Masad that he emailed me, and then we should be good to go. So let me just cop that, because there's something with beautiful soup 4 that we want to make sure we get right. Beautiful soup 4. Actually, let me just write Amjad. All right, so here we go. All right, so in Replit, I want to write this for my requirements.txt, and then what does he have here? We'll copy this. I'll bring it back. All right, I'm going to go to my file and paste. Hit run. All right, we're good. So let me go back to the thing and then turn this off. Okay, now you guys should be able to see my screen. All right. So hopefully you guys see all this code that I've added over here. Can you guys hear me? Is there still something wrong with the audio? Hello?
Looks fine to me.
They say you have another video playing real time. Should be fine now, right? Can you guys hear me clearly? Oh yeah, words don't have lag. So if I chat, they can probably hear me a lot clearly. All right, so this audio is fine now. Great. I have to zoom out actually on this so then they can see it. Let's see how that looks. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to see how the zoom out looks. All right, that looks a little bit better. All right, great. So everything looks good now. Everything is fine. All right, so we got all this. God damn it. Yo, don't.
I got you beat there, buddy.
Do not code in here, man. do not code in here. I knew this was a terrible idea. I'm gonna. I can spectate him, but I cannot kick him out. All right, guys, we're gonna have to end. Yeah, it just takes one bad apple, man. One bad apple. That's really all it takes. So, your guys' privileges have been taken.
Because some guy wasn't really a monkey at birth.
All right, so let's focus now. All right,
Yeah.
sorry. So we have beautiful soup here. And what can we do with beautiful soup, you might be asking? Well, you can do a lot. And what we're focusing on is web scraping, all right? So we're going to start taking down websites and just beautiful souping them. So let's go to samstudios.com, studios.com, like that. So that's his website. Let's just have some fun with it and let's see what we can do. So I'll go back and I will say, I will also use a request library. So request. What does that mean that it is? Do I have to say HTTP request?
Did you try to edit that zip video?
Request library Python.
I don't know if the footage is on here. I think it might only be on there. The screencast is on here, unless I deleted it. I can find it for you. I don't know if the video footage. Oh yeah, I did. Sorry, yeah, go for it. Whenever next time you get
Yeah, this is what it should really be. So let's go back in packages, type in request. There we go. Request HTTP for humans. And hit plus sign on that, and that should install it. Okay, perfect. So there we go. And let's go do beautiful soup and request tutorial. I just have to make sure that the first few lines of code are right, because sometimes I forget them. So you just literally can look them up. It's not a big deal. So import requests is what I need. Let's go back to let's go here. So I need to import requests. Let's pop that above that. And what I want to do is I want to do something like this, except I'm going to do it with Sam's website. So the HTTP part here, I'm going to say bada bam, bada boom, like that. And then let's see, what does it say here? Beautiful soup. Okay. All right. So the guy just did C is equal to result.content, and then to beautiful soup he just feeds C. So let's give that a try. Okay, cool. It looks like we're accessing Sam's website now. Yes, we are. Pretty cool. Is everybody getting lit or what the fuck is going on? Sounds good. It's fine now. This is fucking hilarious. Alright, cool. Good, man.
You need a Xanax.
So we got so we can see Sam's website, right? Like if I go to Sam's thing right here and I go like view page source, then all this code that I see here is essentially the code I'm seeing here, which is what we want. Now, these are all links, right? Like intro, hobbies, tech, contact. If I click it, it takes me somewhere. So intro takes me to this thing. If I hit hobbies, it takes me to another. These are like all anchor tags or whatnot. And those are all the links, right? I don't see any, at least with my mouse, I don't see any other links. And with my eyes, I don't see. So I'll just imagine there are 4 links. So there's essentially 4 A tags in here. So what I can do is I can just look for all of the A tags. Okay. So let's go back to this thing and let's just get the A tags. So it's kind of like this, essentially, all A tags. So I'm going to copy this line, go here and paste it. So you guys can see how you can even use other people's tutorials and scripts to build things together. You don't always have to remember everything, because I certainly don't, but I just build it as I go. The whole thing of like build the plane as you fly it. So I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna say, yo, find all the A tags. Okay, so all links. Let's call it that. I'm gonna hit run. And oh yeah, I gotta print all links. So I'll say print all links. Oh, I gotta turn on Vim. This is too weak for me. And then, you know, I'll go here, comment this out. What happened? Oh, so now what you see, let me just make sure everything is going. It's fine now. Thank you for putting the Crowdcast link, guys. Appreciate it. This guy says, was a joke, but it's a medication. I think I only took it a couple of times for anxiety. All right. Hopefully you're okay, potato chips. Okay. Yeah, we can take Entity Cube says, can you take PewDiePie sub count from Social Blade? Yes, I can. So let's try that. That sounds pretty cool. Let's go to Social Blade. Do that fast. Let's go to Social Blade. Look at what you've done. I don't understand why our subscribers are going down. We're making more videos. Literally makes 0 sense, but whatever. Actually, I'm happy. But let's go to PewDiePie for now. PewDiePie? What did I do? PewDiePie. Okay, so let's take this page and let's scrape this page. By the way, with Sam's example, you can see that all the link tags we have in a list here. All right. And I can even print them out. So let's just go like a little bit further with his example, and we'll just say like for a link in all links, print link. And let's comment this out. So we'll just print link. So you can see on each line it gives us, so he has this link, which is an anchor tag. So he has an anchor tag for intro, hobbies, tech, contact, which is what we expected. And then his entire website actually has a lot of other links as well. So which we can, I assume, see if we go back to his website. And so you can see he has other links like full stack developer link. So this is a Medium link. He has a Vimeo link. He has a YouTube link. And that's why you see a Vimeo link here. You see a YouTube link here. You see his resume and all that good stuff, right? So there's that. Now, you guys excited about this? You guys getting the heebie-jeebies or what? You guys can clone this too. Like I can give this to you guys right now and you can actually clone it. So I'll share this with you in the link in the chat. Just click that and that should take you to where you want to go. That'll give you like the access to this code. And I'll give you access to this code at the end too, so don't worry. Now, let's do that Social Blade thing that we wanted to do so we can look up PewDiePie's sub count or whatnot. So let's go back. Yeah, let's do result 2. Okay, something stupid like that. We're going to use a request library to get this. Okay. We'll say C2 is equal to result.content. And these are terrible names, by the way. You should never name anything like this.
Sounds like you're making a tutorial now.
What?
That's how I sound when I'm making my videos. These are terrible names. Never use these names.
Yeah, never, ever. Okay, no parser was specified, so it yelled at me. So we will specify an HTML parser, so you can stop yelling at me, you little shit. Sprint. Okay, now we will do print soup2, and let's just see what soup2 is. This should be like the Social Blade stuff on the PewDiePie's page. All right, too many things going on here. Now let's go to this thing, and we will go inspect like that. Dude, 165,000 subscribers every day.
Really? 1 million every 10 days.
20 billion views? Am I? We're coming after you, PewDiePie. Get ready. 165,000 subscribers every day, bro.
He has 90 million subscribers.
90 million humans. That's insane. That's crazy. Okay. So let's click here, and we're going to go on to his subscriber account, right? Actually, there's a live subscriber account thing that we can actually get to. So where is that? Live. Right here. Real time. So let's go back to this. Let's change this link with this link / real time. Hit that thing. And let's hit inspect elements. I will click this button, and then I'll hover over this div. So this is a div, and the class is containment and text center. So I will try to find this particular div essentially. So let's do that. I'll just do for now all divs soup.find all divs, print all divs, and unprint this so I can see what's going on. Wait, that's not what I wanted. Div, there we go. All right, that should get me all the divs. In here I should see, what was it called? Containment? Contain. Oh, why can't I control F on this? Wait, hold on. Why is it still saying Sam Studios? Ah, Soup 2. Hence the beautiful naming conventions that I've been using. Alright, so this is giving me all of the divs. And I wonder if it allows me to pass a class like that. Oh, I think it does. Man, I'm so smart. I love this. Containment. Ah, yep. So this is what we're looking for. Containment. And does it allow me to dig a level deeper and go, well, let's go containment and share like that. Man, now we're getting somewhere. This is so good. This is fucking riveting. We're gonna do containment, and then we're gonna do text center instead. So let's try text. All right, so now we're getting close. Okay, we can see the sub count right here, 90,069,207.
Damn.
Right? So now, okay, how many items does that div have? So let's just do, or this list, because it's just a list at the end of the day. So let's do len. It just has one item. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I hope that's not what I meant to do. There. Let's run that again. Okay, so since there's only one item, I just need to dig into that item, and let's see what I get. I obviously get that item.
Yeah.
And now I just need to dig deep enough to get this guy. So trying to think with beautiful soup, how would I can do like all divs dot find, something like all divs dot find I can do class, or okay, let's see what it's saying. You're probably treating a list of items like a single item. But we only have one item. Oh, wait, hold. Oh. I gotta index that by 0.
Wait, okay. Let's see.
And now gotta do text, probably. Something like text, I think.
Boom.
Fucking hell yeah, baby. Woo! I don't know how real time it is though.
No, it's not really.
Well, it caches it, I think. It doesn't keep making that request every time.
Mm-hmm. Can we fix that?
How to not cache beautiful soup requests? I don't know.
Cat control no cache header.
Okay, let's try that. It doesn't sound like that should work, but it can't hurt. Nah, that doesn't work either. Wait, what's going on? Did anybody lose their shit in the chat yet? Oh shit, they can't see. There you go, my bad. Wow, all our genius was lost. By the way, guys, sign up for the class that we have. This is the class. Boom. Popping it in right there. Well, should be able to see now, right? Yep, so there you go. We got the live subscriber count from his channel. I think, what if because what's happening is that request is only really requesting it one time. I want to be able to keep requesting it. Maybe real time data with requests library in Python. None of this is bringing up the stuff that we want.
Make a loop that requests it every so many seconds.
Well, while we look that up, just know that most of your problem is solved, which was essentially getting that 90,000 number or whatever. And if you are using if you're using Django, then you can even make an app and then just display this on the front end and make this look nice, right? So that would essentially that could be the next step, and then it just essentially turns into an app. And then every time you refresh it, or every time somebody comes to it, it runs, and then it displays the number of subscribers that you have. And you can use this to display any number of things or pull information. But generally what people use requests in Beautiful Soup for is oftentimes to scrape websites. So for example, people will want to scrape, like, say, eBay.com. And they want to be able to go to like the page where there are deals. And they want to be able to scrape like all these deals here. Right? So basically they want to scrape all these deals here. And I mean, this could be a cool thing to make a video on, right?
Yeah, scraping eBay for the best deal.
Yeah,
Best
with
deal on
Python,
page.
like imagine that. Scraping,
Yeah.
like scraping
Buying-
Craigslist for
buying-
Python.
Oh yeah.
What do you guys think about that? If you guys think it's a good idea, drop it in the chat. So like scraping,
For coupon codes.
yeah, scraping
Yeah.
best deals for like scraping eBay with Python, scraping eBay with Craigslist in 2019 without a college degree to get a job. That would be a great title.
Yeah, none of us are at school.
I think that would be pretty good. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think too. But essentially, you want to be able to scrape this type of data and then write it to a CSV file. So we can actually show you guys how you can scrape this and then write this to a CSV file.
Hell yeah.
If that would tickle your pickle, then drop in the comment below tickle. And either you can drop in the comment below tickle, or you can drop pickle. But only one thing in the comments. Yo, this guy knows how to do live stream. He's like, go to OBS and hit Control F to stream full screen. I'm in Wirecast, but let me try that anyway. Control F.
What was that little?
What if there's like a feature that just says like, go full screen, idiot?
What is that little X the thing you can drag?
Oh, that could be pretty useful. Whoa, overlays, clock, image carousel, scoreboard, text. Damn. Discovering new features. Wait, hold on. I want my screencast back. Whoa, everything is gone. Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties. Man, I knew I shouldn't have chased that shiny object. Wait, is it screen capturing? No, right?
There we go. We're back.
That was weird. Okay, we're back. So
Thinking that little X thing. Have you tried fiddling with that? In the middle, like dragging that little O or stuff.
but doesn't it look like it's full screen now somehow?
Oh yeah, it is. What the?
What? That makes no sense. Where did everything go? There we go. That was simple.
2 hours in, we finally figured it out. 2 hours 8 minutes in.
Yeah. Yeah, we finally figured it out, guys. It should show this part, okay? So quickly, when I flip the screen, look for this.
Ooh, they can see the whole thing.
They can, right?
Yeah,
Sweet.
that was cool. Try to go back. It's like a tunnel.
We still can't see it. It's so painful.
It's too fast.
Who said tickle? Somebody said tickle. Somebody said pickle. Fixed. Just offset. Just do it, boy. Somebody said. Does it update when you loop it? No. It doesn't It doesn't update. It's just not updating. Scraping eBay, good video, practical use. Okay, thank you. Scraping LinkedIn jobs. Yep. Scraping eBay data for prices video. Live code with explanations is the best, I think. Tickle. Pickle. Pickle. Wait, why did we ask them to say tickle or pickle?
Oh, I thought you were just.
No, there was a reason because I said
puppeteering.
I said if it tickles your pickle.
Well, one of them would know.
Yeah. Why did we say tickle your pickle?
Which one of you guys is smarter than all of us combined? This is a recurring problem in this establishment of imbeciles.
Yeah, which one of you guys? This guy goes, "This is hilarious." Another guy goes, "How many hours should we code every day?" And then Potato Chips goes, "You should code at least 25 hours a day." Oh, for the eBay idea. Okay. For the eBay idea, I said if the eBay idea sounds like a good idea, then say, if it tickles your pickle, then either say tickle or pickle. But it was for the eBay idea. Thank you, Manj Nation. Thank you. It was very important for us to know that. Okay, so should we do the eBay example? So we just did the scraping. We scraped. Okay, so I'm gonna drop this in the chat. This is the link for the code. You guys can get access to the code that I just wrote to get PewDiePie's subscriber count. So you guys can do that right now. Now we're gonna do a new replit, and I'm gonna say Python, and let's do this thing. Let's go with Django. You know, this one's gonna be called Tickle Your Pickle.
With another pickle.
eBay guide. All right. I hope you're excited. Let's fucking do this thing. Okay, I'll zoom in a little bit more. If you guys can see the full screen, say full screen. I can see. I mean, just say I can see full screen. That's better. Why did we give them like tickle for web scraping for a job? We're gonna use like. All right, so let's focus now, guys. This is gonna be rough. What are we trying to do?
Web scrape eBay for the best deals.
Oh yeah. So first of all, we're gonna go into packages and do requests, and hit plus sign right here, and then we're gonna do beautiful soup, just like that. We're gonna hit enter. So we got beautiful soup, we got requests. And what's cool is you guys can actually go to this website right now. This guy goes, screen full. See, I can. Yes.
Full. See, I can. Yes.
Thank you, Sam, for hiding and deleting stupid messages. Full screen, I can see. Sam said. Okay, we're on repl.it. So these guys are actually going to the app right now, by the way. This is the app. This app is live. So how fucking crazy is that? First of all, can we just discuss that? Replit is so awesome that we just launched the app live in literally 2 seconds. It's live. Like, you guys can go to it. You guys don't understand how sick that is. All right, moving on.
Anyway, just notice Replit is like Replit, like Rep the Lit lifestyle.
Oh yeah, Replit. Yeah, that's true.
You should get that on our shirts. Like Rep Lit and then fire.
Oh, Replit.
Yeah, Rep the Lit.
That's true. We should do that.
Rep.
We should do that. Why does it say no module BS4? Wasn't that how the other one was? Kind of lost here.
Tickle your pickle.
Wait, the other one was BS4, import beautiful soup, right? Wait, hold on. Why can't let me why can't we put our face in here too, like so they can see us
They don't want to see us. We're ugly.
like that?
Oh,
Why?
now we're live streamers.
Why haven't we, oh my God, our IQ is so low.
It's like me and my videos. I didn't figure that out until 8 hours from now when it premieres.
But what if they miss out on something? Should we put ourselves on the bottom left or keep it on bottom right?
Bottom left, because the bottom right you cover up the code, the terminal.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Like
I
that.
did the same thing in my videos. Yeah.
And keep it small, right? So
Yeah.
it doesn't get in their way.
Smallest chicken.
Okay. So let's go here, and I'm just trying to find. That's what we had. Beautiful soup. Just gonna copy this code for a second and paste it.
He's smiling for like 2 hours straight.
Who was?
Him?
Holy shit! Yeah, you're right.
No
Yeah.
wonder his cheekbones are so like firm.
Good for your face muscles.
Is it?
It gets you less tired to smile than to frown. Did you know that?
He looks so awkward when he frowns because he never frowns. Try again. Cause he look.
That is so funny.
When you frown,
I don't know. I just never seen you frown before.
you frown sometimes.
Why isn't it doing it? Okay, I'm just gonna blame it on Replit. So I'm gonna start another one, guys. It was gonna be called
Tickle my pickle.
no, it's gonna be called Tickle Your Pickle.
Again.
But this one is gonna be non-Django. So this is gonna be the right version. We're just gonna ignore the last one. That was a mistake. Because I think with Django, request library has some runs into some errors there. So let's do requests, not request library, but the beautiful soup library. So first, let's just put all this code here and let's make sure it runs. Request is not defined, so we're gonna do import requests. Okay, so that worked, and we got my boy's number. That's good. Wait, hold on. If it's pulling it from here, if I refresh this, that sounds like a really stupid thing. Oh, because like you see how when I refresh it, it does this?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So no, it will automatically do it the right way if once they update it on their end.
Yeah, I think this is probably like a rate of subscriber count average, and they're just faking this. That's not actually right.
No, that's right. It is right. It is right. It is right. But you see how it is in the start when I refresh the page? That's the number we're getting.
Yeah.
So Social Blade updates that number every like few hours, I think. So once they update that, we will. So like the code is fine. The code is fine. I can sleep at night now.
Yeah.
We're gonna grab eBay, and we're gonna delete this guy. Let's just keep that here. And for this, we're gonna pop in Mary Poppins eBay deals instead. Let's actually clean up everything. So everything looks clean here, like that, like this. Bam, bada boom. All right, and now we're gonna say eBay page is equal to result.content. I'm gonna say eBay page, do a parser there. All right, we're gonna just run this for now, and then I'm gonna say print soup Holy crap. So we got lots of stuff back.
Big ass bag, man. Need help.
We got lots of stuff, but what's cool is you can see that we're getting back prices and stuff too, which is kind of what we wanted. It says something was $5.99. Is there anything $5.99 here? Let's look. $5.99. There's only one. $5.99 right there. It's crossed off. Rockville RBG, some crap. So see that? It says Styles Strike Through. Right? So that's that looks correct. So we are getting the right yeah, we're getting the right things, right? And for now, let's just have it print out all the item names. How about that? Let's have it print out all the item names. Let's also manually count up all the items that are showing up here. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 3.
24.
So 24 featured deals that are right up front. Oh, actually, there's too many to fucking count. Never mind. So I'm not going to count it like that. But let's just have it print out item names. Let's go and inspect. And we will hit this and we'll just hit here. So eBay UI ellipsis 2. eBay UI ellipsis 2. I bet there's some kind of container these are a part of. So zoom out here a little bit and we will hit inspect. Okay, so that's the whole page. That's the div. We want the thing that contains all of this. That's the one we want, right? That's the one we want. Yep. So we want, and how much does it highlight? Does it even keep going down? Nope. That's perfect. That's what we want. These 20, what was it? 24 items. That's it. So let's say we want these 24 items. So this is the class name that we're going after. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to say like soup.find all, and then I will say divs. So find all divs. And then within that, find this class. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say featured items and then paste that code there. And here I'll say featured items like that. Print. Damn, man, it really needs to install it every single time we run the code. So these are all the featured items. Can we prettify this shit? Because it just looks ugly.
Nope.
Oh, my bad. Wait, hold on. I think it's supposed to be like dot prettify. No, that doesn't make sense either. soup.prettify. So if it's a soup object, you can prettify it. Whatever. It's not showing it to me. That's okay. So prettified or not, I can see that there's a lot of items. Let's do, what is this? Is this a list or what is it? I think it's a list, but let's do type. Results set. What does that mean? So let's do element 0. Does it give me element 0? Yes, it does. Okay. Battery tender junior 12 volt. Is that in the right direction? 12 volt. 12 volt. You see anything with battery right there?
Right there.
Huh. So the list is in not any particular order, it seems like. But this is the image alt description. The title, that's what we want, right? Where it says title is equal to ass. I think it means class. All right. So we essentially want this where it says title. What is the title? Is it part of that? Div image.
You following?
Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never used beautiful soup before.
Yeah. H3. Okay, so H3, and within H3 there's titles. So I can do dot find H3 title, maybe like that. All right. So now in H3 we are getting ourselves, oh,
That's the H3 from the promo. So the very first featured one is probably like, oh, promotional one. See, it's only getting the very first one up there. That's probably the header, because there's probably like a giant header H3 and then something under that which is everything else. And then so.
but didn't I tell it to get me
everything?
Oh, this actually selects that too. Oh, okay, you're right. Yeah. So that makes sense. That's pretty good then, right? Because we do want Battlefield.
Wait, are you trying to pick out everything on the featured deals or just one thing? Everything, right?
I mean, I was in this featured card. That's what I wanted. Oh, I think I chose the wrong one. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Like, I just wanted everything within this box, like from here to here. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just chose the wrong thing. I meant to choose this class.
Yep.
So now it should be a little bit better. Wait, hold on. It is a div.
You have to dig from div to div to div.
What if I just did dot find and then did it like that? Would it find it? Why does it say none?
Which div were you getting before? Which div were you for the Battlefield one? Which div was it down here in this list? It was that one there?
No, I did this.
So you need to do that one and see how this div is nested. You have to like go one div within. You have to go within that div and then down to the featured div.
But it shouldn't be like that. It should just be able to let me, because then otherwise, why didn't I have to go to this div? You know what I mean?
Fair enough.
Or the div above that.
Strange behavior.
Huh.
Should I put the other div you had before and see if find works with it? The div you had before. The battlefield one.
What was this?
Yeah, featured card. Maybe does that work with only find?
Wait, now even this is saying the same thing. This is even the same error too now. What? That makes no sense. Is it something like we're scraping it and now eBay is stopping us or something? Is there something we're unable to fetch data from eBay and Beautiful Soup? Let's see. I think. I don't know. I almost feel like I want to go back. Because we literally have the same lines of code.
Yeah, these kind of bugs are the worst kind. Inconsistent bugs are.
Because yeah, this is a very inconsistent bug. Now it could have to do with replit, or it could have to do with but I don't think it's a replit bug. I think it's just a bug that we've. Because I can try with PyCharm.
Have you tried refreshing the eBay page?
Okay, so eBay scraping. New Python file, eBay training. Training. Okay, hold on. Let's just go one step at a time before freaking out. Because I'm about to start freaking out.
Let's check the YouTube chat. Maybe somebody figured it out. Maybe somebody.
I highly doubt it.
I laughed like 6 people figured it out. I'm like, highly doubt it. They're screaming at us right now. Like, you 2 idiots. One's Asian, one's Indian. You guys are supposed to be good at this.
That would be fun. Okay, fine. Let's see if somebody figured it out.
Find all. Yes, it's find all. Find all functions. Find all. Find all.
What did I do?
Find. Find underscore all. Is there a distinction?
What? I know, Zaki. What? What? Are you serious? Wow. Wait, hold on. Did we just make like a dumb mistake? Like it's that?
Do it, do it. Okay, my heart stopped for a second. None-type object is not callable.
What are these guys talking about? Do these guys know something I don't?
Sam posted something.
No, he just posted a link to No. That's regex. No, this is not regex.
That's cheating, guys.
No, not even cheating. We're not doing regex right now. It's like son of Python. No, we declare programs are army. What the heck is the other person doing there? Find all 0. No, it's find underscore all. Guys, I've been typing in find all the whole time. This is how the real life of a programmer looks like. I think the main thing to retain here is the steps to figure out a problem by searching and trying. So thanks a lot for this kind of videos. Yes, you are welcome. This is what programming looks like.
There's a giant bag of walnuts.
Guys, it's not find all one word. What are you guys talking about? Like, that's regex, and we're not doing regex right now. Look, I even did it, and it gives you an error.
You don't even like walnuts.
I hate walnuts. Okay, let's go one step at a time. You have anything better, Aaron?
Show mix.
Oh, thank you. Yes. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, hold on. Hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. Hold on.
So long. Figure this stuff out.
Let me go to Beautiful Soup and just read their freaking documentation for a second. Okay. Find all A. Going down.
PG rated, Kazi.
Okay. So if I did a class name, it wouldn't work. Okay.
It was working before. Like what?
Right. That's why I'm so confused. Like, it was working before?
Can you just spam undo like a crap load of times?
They're like ASMR with Kazi. Hello there, guys.
Today I'm gonna stick my finger in your ear.
Maybe I should just do this on like Twitch all day.
Poor people with our stupidity. We're not smart, you guys. We just have no lives. You guys are all more interesting than us.
eBay logo. Seriously, what went wrong?
Did you have the featured items at 0 the whole time?
No.
Oh, wait, find all featured items.
No, I had as
Find all.
I didn't even have anything, bro. I had as empty.
Stick in this class, see what happens. Yeah, see what happens.
All right.
Oh man, rapid testing. Significant. Type in every permutation.
Oh shit. For some reason, it liked that one.
Yeah.
Oh wait. What if when I refresh this page, the name of these...
Things change?
That can't be possible, right? There's no way. There's no fucking way. No, it's the same. Wait, hold on. Wait. Why did I have... You see how it says eBay UI DNE item featured card?
Mm-hmm.
Why does here where I'm highlighting it says it twice?
Huh. D&E item featured card.
Is that what fucked me up? Let's go back.
If this works. Somebody else was stupid. We weren't stupid.
That was the dumbest shit ever. What was that? What is that?
Why is it there twice?
Why?
eBay UI D&E item featured card. Price currency. Alright, you guys. Debugging at its finest.
Huh.
What's next?
Yeah, this guy's like it was working earlier. It was working earlier. Yeah, it was working earlier. Oh, annoying.
This is the part of the process you guys never see on recording.
Wow, 76 signups for the 6 steps to freelancing. Wait, that's not what I meant to copy paste. I meant to copy paste this. I'm sorry.
Yes, Mark, you can. Go do it.
All right. So now with that stupid problem out of the way,
None again. If it's an empty list, I'm gonna go crazy. The word troll just pops up. You just got Rick trolled.
Mmm.
Ooh, check out that wide 23-inch.
Oh, Lenovo. Mm-hmm. But where's the title? Wait, why am I doing it like a juvenile? Why don't I... You know what I mean? Like, I need to look inside of this thing. This fucking guy.
That is what the female verbally proclaimed to me thy night before.
So
Today.
I can do find. So within that, I can do find all of these guys. You see what I'm saying? So within this container, I can say find all of these. Because this and this and this, you get it? Right? Like that, and they have the same name. So I can say within this giant container, find all of these little containers.
Yup.
See what I'm
You get a
saying?
list of those.
Yes, I'm going to get a list of those. Exactly.
Uh-huh.
It's all about drilling deeper and deeper.
Yeah. Gotta get that oil, you know?
Dude, that's not even tasteful. At least keep it tasteful.
Drilling for oil? What are you thinking?
Drilling for data, bro. Wait, those are divs, right? Obviously. Yes.
Yup.
I think shouldn't it be like okay, let me just do this for now.
That took 10 seconds too long. Find all when you meant to find. Call find.
Wait. No. Okay. I see what the problem is that's happening.
You gotta call featured items at 0. Dot find all. Items equals featured items at 0.
I don't want to fucking call it at 0.
List, see?
So that's what I want to do instead, because I don't have to drill. Like, why am I drilling? Like, why am I drilling into here and then into here? Why don't I just drill here directly and just get all of these?
Because there might be more in other areas. You know what I mean? There might be some of those in other divs.
Right. That's why I wasn't doing that. Yeah, you're right. Hold on. Let's see.
I mean,
You're right. Okay, you're right. So
it might work, but yeah.
yeah.
Don't
No.
make mistakes.
You're right, dude. When you're right, just fucking own it. You're right.
I didn't say I wasn't right. You want me to be wrong, Kazi.
Okay, so fine. That right?
Soak it.
Dude. Like that?
Yeah. I was so convinced that would work. discount each.
This guy just gave us all the code.
Oh. Ho ho. Let's try what Entity Cuber said.
I don't want to cheat.
I do.
All that smacking. All right, my bad. I'm known to smack like. Sorry. All right. Let me focus. So, wait. What happened here? Didn't I? Oh, wait. Hold on. Something went wrong.
They're so dry.
This is gonna give me an error, so I just gotta do.
Why did that work?
Because I had
This twice again?
this twice again somehow. All right.
We made the same mistake twice.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Yeah. Print out the length of items. See how many there are. There should be 24, right? Double check that we're getting
Yeah, you're right. Let's print out the length of items. You're right.
'Cause we-
Yes,
we
we're
know it's
getting
24.
close. It should be 24. Yes!
baby!
Woo!
An hour later. Oh god, this is like elementary stuff.
No, scraping is always like this. It just makes you feel stupid. It's like just weird stuff.
That's why I try to stay away from it, but it's fun at the same time.
It's so addictive. It's like a game.
It is.
Dude, we should just do these live streams and then like work on our own fun projects.
When I'm in school.
Just
help me out on my projects, you guys.
yeah, get help. Hey guys, I need help with our homework. Oh, that's a great reason to build a YouTube channel. Just ace your YouTube classes. Ace your classes with YouTube.
So you can get a job that pays less than YouTube does.
All right. So what are we doing? I'm lost. Okay.
We have
So
a list of the right length.
now we just need to print out titles, right?
Yep, for loop, and then just print the titles. That's it.
All right. So let's see here. We got this box, and now within this we got the span eBay UI ellipsis 2.
Remember, yeah, let's not double it up again. Or do it just for consistency's sake. Intentionally make the error.
Okay, now I'm gonna do print items of 0. Let's see what I get. So that should give me the first one, right? That should would essentially give me Lenovo.
Should have, but it's so long. Why is it so long?
That's what she said.
Yeah, you're Asian.
23 inches. That's
Oh my god, why?
and then you can also use blacklight. Oh, backlight. Okay.
Light from the back.
Light.
In plain.
Yeah, I know. I saw that too.
Oh god.
Yay! We're making progress. All that smacking. Kazi, you're right. Look at this. Because I keep saying you're right. Because like Kazi, you're right. 76. Good job.
We figured it out, you guys.
Stream Python ASMR pickles. Have I been speaking that quietly? This guy's like laughing his ass.
Doodle banks.
Have I been speaking that quietly? Really?
Hey guys.
Have I?
Welcome to
I feel like I'm
ASMR
improved.
Nation. Tonight we gonna ASMR your brains.
ASMR your brains. All right, guys. Now, I hate that voice. Hold on.
Yeah, ASMR.
Ah, title right here.
Finicky thing.
Let me try that title. And I hope I get empty string back, empty list back. Wait, that didn't help at all. None.
Dot find.
It's like when you're not educated on the documentation and you just like keep trying
it
shit
out
out.
until
Yeah.
man,
it's
like,
it's much more fun that way.
oh, yeah.
Much more satisfying.
Like a game, like a puzzle. None.
All right, that makes much more sense. That that's much smaller. Yeah.
Data listing, schema, yet. Wide 23-inch. Yep.
Do you see title anywhere?
Image, alt.
Not
Title.
all description. That's not what.
Title.
H3, right? And the H3. And the H3
I
tag.
wish this would format.
Yeah, because that's what I was trying to do earlier. Trying to format it.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna do dot find H3 H3 and then we'll do title. I think that should work. Fuck. Should I do all? Oh wait. Should I do all?
Well, that's giving us.
Cause I'm getting. Oh no, I have to type in the. Oh no, that title won't title won't work because you can't type in title. You can type in like this, and then but then that would defeat the purpose.
Yeah. So how do you get the title field?
What if instead of H3 I wrote title? No, that won't work either.
Let's Google it. How to get a title field?
That doesn't work either.
Just Google. Yeah. Try to Google how you get a title field in Beautiful Soup.
To get title field in Beautiful Soup.
And a link. Title equals links dot get title. Links dot get title.
Oh, what if I did H3 and then I'd said dot get title on that? Oh shit. Yes!
Hey!
Woo!
Come on, Frankie, get in here.
Yeah, buddy. We had a third person. Boo, 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 boo. The reveal. Yeah, what's up, guys? Reveal.
Yeah. And there's 7 7 children tied up in that room over there.
What if, like.
Shut the f. Told you not to cry anymore.
What if, like, 5 hours later we have, like, somebody else come out?
Yeah, from below the desk. Like, what are you doing on there?
Like a
Nothing.
hot chick.
We're so inappropriate.
Oh my god, 23.
You're under the age of.
Oh
I
man.
apologize.
This video is against our community standards. Alright, so we got the title. Whoa, Zaki went crazy on that. H3, the class of the H3 dot title. Yeah, that's kind of what we did, but we had to do dot get title, otherwise it didn't work. Wait. Dot title should work here. What am I? Oh, no, not like that, but like this. The title should work here. Interesting.
No. It might be a version issue.
No, I wonder why dot. Okay, fine, whatever. I'm just not gonna question it so much. Let's just fucking move on. All right, so we got the title. Okay, so basically what we need to do is I'm gonna write these notes down now. So step 1, get container with all featured items. Step 2, loop through each item. Step 3, get each item's h3 tag and the title from it, right?
Yep.
That essentially covers the steps.
Yep.
So we get the container, which is, you know, so this is like featured items container or something. Let's name it that. Featured items container.
Yep. And then all featured items or whatever, or just items.
Container, like that.
Featured it. You changed it.
Boom.
Boom.
Okay.
Nice.
So featured items container, this was, like we said, this is step 1. Then, now what we're going to do is we're going to loop through each. Oh, wait. Get container with all featured items.
Number 2 would be get all items in the list in the container or something like that.
Yeah, oh, I got you. Get all featured items in a list. Right? Like or put them in a list.
Yeah, put them.
Yeah. Put all featured items in a
It's
list.
already given to us as a list, right?
No, we kind of put them in, right? Like we did items. I mean,
I would just chunk that second line. I would just chunk it under number 1. It's kind of the same logical idea.
all right, whatever.
Programmers don't agree. They never agree.
Yeah. Okay, so this is really this step, which is boom. Yeah, so we're really just getting all. Wait, we're just getting all featured items within the container, right? Actually, that's what we're doing. Yeah, get all featured items in a container.
Yeah.
Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's much better. That's accurate. All right. And Frankie, you'll just edit this video at the end.
3-hour video. Oh my goodness. That's why my tic-tac-toe is long.
That's why we should just do it. We should just live stream. You just edit them at the end, and then we just have full projects they're just supplied by the people for the people.
How many that's what she said jokes have we said? Where am I now?
In the completely edited videos, they don't get any of the jokes.
No. Well, they get my jokes.
Yeah. Alright. So now we're gonna loop through each item, okay? So let's do that.
Yeah. With a while else loop.
For item and items, print, and I'm gonna follow the instructions on this now. Get each item's h3 tag, so I'll say item dot find h3 dot get. Oh wait, this still has to be 0, right?
Yes. Nice catch. Kazi still got it, you guys. He ain't rusty yet.
Yet.
Wink, wink,
Wank,
wink.
wank.
Wank, wank.
Oh.
Alright, it looks like we got it. Invicta Men's Speedway. Wide 23-inch.
So now what we'll do is
Omega 3 relief.
so now we got Lenovo Adidas Ultimate 2.0 tees, right? The tees. We got the Rivka Friedman. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Web scraping.
All right. For item in, let's do for item, for index, comma item in enumerate items. You know about this?
Enumerate, yeah.
You know how this works?
Yep.
Damn, fancy. Print.
What does enumerate do?
Trying to remember how it works.
You trying to do the formatting, that format?
Yeah, how does it work again?
I think it's you have the string that you want to do, and then dot format, and then every parameter within format goes into the brackets in order. So use this. So format the
No, I
string,
know, but where does this thing go?
in the string.
Right. So like that, right?
I think so.
But then what about the
You end the string.
end the string and then you hit
Dot.
plus, right?
No. Dot format.
Okay.
Dot format, and then that thing goes inside.
Oh.
And then, yeah. And then the thing that's in the parameter goes into the bracket, and if there's more than one bracket,
Oh,
it
we
just
got
goes,
two.
it goes.
Yeah. Okay.
You do format 2.
Yeah. Good call. I remember now.
Unless I'm completely wrong, then that might be like a different programming language.
All right. So basically, what we want it to look like is say something like 1 Lenovo, 2 Reebok, 2 Adidas. You know what I'm saying? That's essentially what I'm trying to do here.
Yeah.
Enumerate. I think this should work.
That's what we thought with the with the stupid scraping.
Yeah, let's try it. Enumerate runs from 1. Fucking yeah.
Baby. Told you, Mom. I could do it.
Leaving me hanging. What's up, dude?
Yeah, don't leave him.
Oh.
Man. What are you doing?
I didn't even notice.
All right, so because we wanted to start from that, we'll do index plus 1. Does that work? All right, so it starts from 1. Dude, programming is so cool, bro.
Sexy. Try drag it all the way to the left so it looks nice and sexy.
Huh?
The window, if you drag it all the way to the left, you make the terminal bigger, then it'll print out nicer.
Like this?
'Cause it spaces out, and then run it. Well,
Should-
if you go all the way to the left, everything's in one line.
This is pretty good. We can add new lines. You want to add new lines? Like, okay, we'll add fucking new lines, bro. You want to get lit? We'll get you lit. You want to get lit?
Thank you. Thank you, Daddy.
Wow, we didn't even read Zacky's thing, but we did it. Success. F, this is your item. Crowd.
Is coding easy? Apparently not.
Dude,
For us.
yeah, 3 hours. Achievement unlocked, somebody said. Fucking 3 hours.
Oh god, it's better than 27 Overwatch matches, right?
The biggest reveal in the history of you.
What is that?
Who's the back end person? When it was him, when he came in.
Oh yeah. What up? He's the real founder of Clever Programmer. This is an Android. I'm actually handcuffed to this chair right now. Help me.
All right, now we gotta get pricing too, right?
Pricing. Oh my goodness, there's more to this. That's right. Yeah. Let's stick it in a dictionary.
So can I do print items? Let's do the 0th item dot find h3 dot get, and what should we do? Let's just first find it and let's see what it says.
Yeah, exactly. Price would be
Well, it's probably not going to be an h3.
actually, yeah. Let's just print that out. See what happens.
So what we'll do is we'll make a CSV file with like on the left column like all the products, and on the right column their pricing.
All right. Better than a dictionary. Let's do that.
Oh yeah, we'll make a dictionary and then we'll. All right, so where's the pricing? There's a strike through pricing as well. This is the
Price.
real price.
Yeah.
Item prop price.
So spend-
Dot get item prop, or we can say get priced easily. We can probably do like, you know.
Content, US dollars.
What tag is this in? Like, where's div price item tile? Yeah, div price. Okay, okay.
Tile price.
Dot find div dne item tile price.
Run that. See what happens. What? Unexpected live streams.
Oh, dot
Impromptu.
probably dot text after that. Dot text. If I get it in one try, that'd be crazy, but I don't think I will. Fuck yeah! That felt so good.
I'm kind of hard.
Oh, is this actually text or is this a number? Who cares? It's probably text.
string.
It's a string. Yes,
Yeah,
of course it's a string.
Dollar sign.
Okay, so all right. So now we have this as well. Yeah, now we can actually put this in.
CSV file or dictionary?
Yeah, pandas allows you to make it really easily. It allows you to pandas list to data frame and then take multiple lists into data frame. So it makes it really easy. It does something like yeah, you just give it list 1, list 2, just like that. That's that easy. I love pandas. It's fucking awesome.
I've never used it. I use NumPy a lot. Never pandas.
So we're gonna go pandas. Powerful data structures. Yeah, this is the one. All right, so now we got pandas. Let's go back and I'm gonna do like import pandas as PD. Then this line should work. Data frame and so we can just like use like list comprehension and create so let's just say like titles. So this is essentially going to be like titles, and then this is going to be like price, and this is going to be title. You see what I'm saying? Or no?
Sorry, Sam. Message me. So I replied.
Sam?
Yeah,
What did he
messaged me
say?
on Instagram. He just said, "Hey man, you're awesome."
Oh, wow.
I know.
When was that? Midnight?
An hour and a half ago.
All right, so let's get this bread now. So titles. Well, we just have to use a simple list comprehension to construct. Essentially, guys, what we're trying to do is construct a list of all of the titles. You see what I'm saying? So like a list with like this title and that title and all that. So we're gonna say item dot find h3 dot get title for title in for
item.
nice, dude. I like you.
I
For
know.
item in items, and this will create all the titles, and watch us get it all right in one try.
That's the best feeling ever.
It's just like we can just quit the live stream and just never do anything with Clever Programmer again.
This live stream's never gonna end. We're just gonna sit here until we're dead.
What if we come up with another project?
It's 1:40 a.m.
Hold on. We're almost done, guys. Hold your horses. So that will construct that list. Oh, then we need price.
Yeah, prices, prices, and then you can zip them. Oh, holy shit!
Item dot find div dne item tile price dot text for item in items.
Prices, by the way. Yeah, because I'm anal like that.
Oh, it's good. All right, and now there's a line of code. We're gonna run it all together. We're not gonna test
so
any of this.
Pandas lets you, by using that data frame, you can create a dictionary from 2 lists.
We just created a data frame.
Okay. Oh,
We're
so,
just-
so that's a data structure within Pandas.
Yes, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do not percentile list. This is gonna be like a result final or something, and then we're gonna do result final dot to CSV, and we'll call it like eBay eBay deals dot CSV. Okay, we're gonna try it and hopefully it'll all run.
Yeah, and it'll just pop up by requirements.txt, right?
Yes, that's what should happen.
Something's gonna pop up right over here.
Oh man.
There's a lot of fucking red.
None type object has no attribute text.
Let's see this text here. Dot find. Where did you call text before? Over here at 0. You gotta put item at 0.
No, but that
No,
was
no,
because I
you're
was just
right,
trying to
you're
get the 0.
Yeah. Find div dne dot text. Huh. Item dot. Line 28.
What if some of them didn't have this price? I mean, that's I don't think that's really possible, but
No, because we got all the prices.
what are they saying? Wow, line 27 is so elegant.
Adam. IDE Adam.
This
What's
guy
more
goes.
text in
This
it?
guy says, "Don't ever scream again."
This is the last warning. What is he gonna do?
Okay,
He's gonna
guys.
hold
By
down.
the way, thank you for keep on posting that, guys. The deal is that we have a live training that we're gonna be doing. It's called My 6-Step System to Becoming a Python Freelancer. So if you want to join this epic training that we're gonna be putting together for you on Friday, then make sure to go in the description and click that linkity link and sign up.
Yeah, don't worry. It'll go much better than tonight has been going.
Yeah, and then your life's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Which line he said? He said line 27.
It's elegant. Yeah. It's so elegant.
Which line is that? Line? Yeah, it really is elegant. That's why I love list comprehensions. But what happened here? This became anti-elegant. Became elephant.
Item dot find for item in items dot text. Find. Yeah, what is it complaining about? What the DNE item title?
All right.
Item
So
tile.
first of all, we're gonna do
Tile.
print titles and just make sure everything there is correct.
Oh, we broke Replit, you guys.
Wow, are you serious?
Freaking broke. Oh my god. Gotta refresh the page.
Wow. So that worked. That list comprehension worked, by the way. I mean, obviously, should have worked. Okay. Print item dot find div I just think that there might be one of them that doesn't have.
Just check the length. Oh yeah, that wouldn't work.
Like,
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, one of them is none. So we're probably in the list. One of them is a none object type. And you're trying to call it .text.
look, it's printing out.
Well, how far is it? It goes up to 9.
Look at this shit. It's printing out a bunch of them.
Yeah, but then it must stop at one of them. So at 11, at 12. So item 12 must be there must be an issue in item 12.
Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is this, okay? There's a simple work around this. We're going to create prices. We're going to create an empty list, and I'm going to say if that, then I'll say prices.append that. It's not the cleanest way to do it, but gets the fucking job done. It gets the food on the table.
Yeah, I need some food on the table. Besides these walnuts.
So you understand what I just did?
Yep.
Okay.
I didn't know you could do that if statement thing though.
Yeah, so this is, it checks for like the trueness or something. The truthiness is what it's called in Python.
Well, so if it's not none, then it does it.
Exactly. Yeah.
None counts as false.
Yep.
Got it.
Yep. I don't like this guy. He's fucking smarter than he looks. Backhanded compliments all day.
Wow.
Sweet. All right, let's hit that. What the fuck happened now?
Arrays must all be the same length. Just put an else, and just else append on the if statement. Just put else append price not available. So it's got to be the same length when you're calling the data frame. So just put an else statement after, and then append something else. Prices dot append price not available, or item not available, or something. Or yeah, NA. Nah.
Why is
Problem
this?
solved.
But it's still complaining.
Is it? You ran it?
I just ran it right now in front of you.
You did?
I just did. I'll run it again.
Oh shit. I must have blacked out for a second.
Arrays must all be the same length.
Huh.
All right, so let's
Put
put.
the length of them.
I will.
See what's happening. Haha. 24 and 1. Why is it 1? Oh, cause it's an if statement, not a for loop, dude. We're only going through one item. I mean, that else statement is probably still useful.
It's probably not necessary, I bet. Or maybe it could be. Yeah, it's probably useful. Yeah, you're right.
Discredit me, imbecile.
Like undermining your authority.
I have a degree. What do you have?
It's a valid point.
I studied Tibetan meditation at the University of Himalaya. It's gotta be outside the for loop, yeah. This is getting ugly. But it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
And then we'll clean it up after.
Yeah. Let's see if the length.
Said every developer ever who didn't clean shit.
Hey, the code to comment ratio is pretty good here, so what you complaining?
The comment is just the code.
That's actually really good code if you don't even need comments.
No, I mean like, what's happening now?
line 25 or line 25. It's still throwing the error because it's trying to you're trying to actually, this is none. Item dot find without the dot text is none. So actually get rid of the dot text. Ding ding ding.
Oh, dude. Wow. And their lengths are the same. Dude, I like you, dude. You fucking are good.
I really don't like these walnuts. You want some?
Sweet. Our Excel file is made. Let's download this Excel file. Let's
The CSV file's working?
let's give it a try.
Oh goodness.
I just downloaded Tickle Your Pickle. Bada bam, bada boom, bitches! Pew, 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 pew. Oh man, this was the most satisfying. Oh yeah.
Look, it even has the NA.
Oh.
It even has the NA. See, my L7 was useful.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh.
Suck it, Hollywood.
Man, we are fucking good.
I mean, I guess. It took us a long ass time.
No, this is. I mean, it's supposed to take that much. Like, it took us only a few hours. While we're live streaming, for God's sakes.
Eating walnuts and shit. How many people are watching? We still have
Trying to
43
explain
people
this
watching?
stuff.
Oh my god. Okay, anybody in the comments, if you figured it out before we did, let us know. I'm curious.
No, they didn't figure it out.
No, man. They could be like a genius in that.
He goes, PewDiePie about to have another 90 million.
F you too then, man. F you too.
All right. Thank you, guys. All the objects have a price. That's what I thought, except that
Let's check on the eBay page, yeah.
SSD apparently. See, this one doesn't have a price at all.
Yeah, it says see details.
It says almost gone, and then it says see details. Super annoying. So what we can say is if and if not, then like we can even put the strike through price.
Yeah, something like that. I mean, you can always add to the program, right? You can always be making it better.
Right.
I think this is a good milestone.
Wow, this, oh my god, can we look at that Excel file again, guys? Oh, snappity snap, son. Snappity brappity brap. All right, guys, who's ready for Tickle Your Pickle? Okay, let's clean up the code.
Just delete it all. Start over. It's like when you don't save the recording. Like, oh, like don't let your guard down. Time to do it all over again. I'm like 3 hours. Might as well just sleep here, Frankie.
Or not sleep.
Let's just crash on this couch right here.
All right, this is pretty good, and we'll share it with you guys. Hopefully you're ready for bada bang, bada boom, and we're gonna send it to you right away. This guy goes, let's go.
Let's go.
Zachy, hopefully that answered your question, man. Yo, it's so cool. We look like live streamers.
What up?
All right. Well, guys, hopefully you had a lot tickled the 23-inch pickle boy.
Yo, the world record is 21 inches, so shut up. It doesn't exist.
Guys, seriously, sign up for this freaking training, all right? We just made a goddamn app, so sign up for this shit.
Yeah. And it's nice because we don't actually have to edit this video for the app. It's done and clean.
Yeah.
It's for live.
Yeah, so it turns out that they were just hiding its price, but okay. What is it's for Wirecast? We make this full screen in front of them. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you like this video, please give this video a like. Really helps out the channel, and it puts our hard work to use, and it's a way for you to help us in a very easy way. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and most importantly, sign up for the training. The link is in the YouTube description. 6 steps to becoming a Python freelancer. Frankie wants you to join. Frankie, do you want him to join?
You guys should join. It's gonna benefit your life. It's what you need right now. If you're here, if you stuck to this, all the 3 hours of this streaming, it's because you need it. It's because you want it and you're looking for it. So go right ahead, man.
There you go. All right, go right ahead. Sign up. And we want to see you in that live training we're going to do on Friday. And yeah, we love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being on here. As always, Julia says this team is amazing. I know. We're going strong. Thank you guys for being here. I love your face. And as always, we'll see them in the next video.